Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Ragashanti, I did mix up daddy. Hallelujah.
Check. Pull it up, present, pull it up. Pull it up. I want to cost a bad word, but I'm not cost a bad word. I'm not cost a bad word, because you're not for cost a bad. What are the present? Stop it there. Dirty people, who are the working people out there, we're ready for it tonight. I'll send them over, whatever, turn back over your pounder. Whatever. Dirty people, we're ready. Stand it, present, stand it, we're ready. Ragashanti live. Mad people time. Ready to go there. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Yo, President, stop it, President. On a slow down the intro. The intro runs slow, man. The intro runs slow like L.A. Lewis. Sure, listen to me now, man. The intro runs slow. He can't run looking faster. He can't. All right, President, running.
Ragashanti live.
Let's go.
Ragashanti live.
Let's go, people. Let's go.
Ready.
I need Mixup An Blenda time.
I
want to call and talk of the King's Day.
Mad people time.
Hold on, the boy have you and the girl beard with the same red rock.
Yeah, run slow for me, man.
Yeah.
Because the girl with the next side of story about the red raga. Then people that look at me and say you're Haganiering because the way we are.
Yo, that word is mad. Haganiering. Haganiering to the flipping world. Hi. Ragashanti,
The Mixup daddy. Hallelujah.
Ragashanti go on and on.
Tell them, Carter. Let's go.
Yes, Ragashanti. So you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
It's Friday. Mad people time.
I need Mixup An Blenda time.
Slang diggy da ba 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 da ba do ba da ba do ba. Ready up now. Ready up. Watch it right now. Give me the wine, girl. Back up your face, girl. Slide that wine, girl. Slide out. Jump.
I need Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live.
Yeah, so big respect all massive hardcore. Big up on yourself. Ragashanti live in your ears of work. We are working on it. Ready, people, ready. Yo, man, that's something there. All right, Prezi, stop it. Stop it. People, you know what I say? My mother was a revivalist in a revival church. My mama grew up in, you know, and she raised me in a revival church. And one next big church named East Queen Street Baptist Church. You see it? And that's how we juggle when we are forward and thing. My mother now has a big church. Hold on, that's in there now, more Prezi. Okay. Now, my mother now has a big church woman now, you know, she did always have a little, you know, my mother believe in her things, a God, she said. So my man I believe in a prophecy and all of them something there, you know. So my man always tell me about several prophecy where she say, you know, about the country, about our family, and about me. And when I prophesy them what she say, yeah, the spirit revealed to her. My mother tell me, say, anybody saying anything bad for you, it a go turn back on them. And them are going to experience some form of destruction in some way. We are going to humble them. Different from how them did come for you. Yeah, I remember my mother dead when me about 15, you know, so from your youth, my mother tell me that. So, you know, I'm going to pay them things in the mind and all these things and whatever, you know. And then man grew up and then man go school and thing and you hear about objectivity and you hear about the period of enlightenment and you hear about empiricism and science and all them something there, you know. So boy evolving him thing and I start, I put my mother things them on a certain level. I said, my mother that man. Love me and love our church and all them something. So enough of the things that my mother tell me, I don't even pay no mind with them and whatever. She did and God, I think. Big up yourself, Miss Cherry. So I don't pay no mind with them. But people, you know, say over the years, I find it uncanny. UNCANNY. I'm gonna look up that one on way. That everybody who me know, who did come for me in a serious way, like, you know, come for me with some wickedness or some evil or whatever. People, you know, say, I really live to see some destruction reach them, some heavy duty retribution reach them. Everybody, you know. Yo, people, the way I'm serious about that something, I tell you, say, me kind of I'll afraid of it a little bit like, say, I wonder what really I go on here. People, me say, everybody me know who come for me in some serious negative way. Me live to see them just, you know, in some evil way. Me live to see certain things reach them. People all in New York here, you know. In New York, I don't know if all a certain situation and whatever, this and that. I may live to see certain things reach him. I don't wish bad for people, you know. When people, some bad things happen to people, when I'm an enemy them, I don't wish bad for them. Not because I have any love for them or anything like that, but I am a firm believer that if you have a hate in your heart and you have a wickedness to happen to people and whatever, it consume you, you know. It can infect you. You know, the poison where you wish for somebody else, it have to generate somewhere in you. So if you're actively involved in the process of generating poison in yourself, in order to dispense it to somebody else, it have to start in you. And if the poison start in you, then you are the root of the poison. You know what I mean? So you know, to defend yourself or whatever, protect yourself, you know. But just I say, wishing bad for people or something there, it require a particular type of energy. It require a particular process of mobilizing certain energies and resources in your mind, in your body and whatever, which necessarily mean you have to be the genesis of that poison where you're going to dispense to somebody else. So me avoid that something there. All my enemy them, me not wish them bad. Not because me care about my enemy them, I tell you the truth, I care about them, but because I care about myself. I don't wish my enemy bad and get up every day consume. Want this to happen to them, I want carefully lick them down, I want them for dead, I want to decide that for reach them. Me not do them some of that. Not because me care for my enemy them, but again, because I don't want that process to be inside of me. Because next thing you know, the poison there, I work in my unconscious and me don't know. And then me engage in all kind of, you know, the same type of evil when me go create inside of me. And them things, then I blame the rest of the world and I know, say, yo, whatever energy you wallow in, that I go come back on you. Me no do that something there. But me just I say, even so, drop back and pray, you know? And me I tell you, say, everybody who do evil to me and come and do some evil thing, and me can objectively say, you know, so me never wrong, and I them do evil to me. Me just live for say certain things, reach them people, some retribution, reach them. Now, my mother, I mean, I have relative who didn't know what my mother tell me. Them claim say, you see Cherry did right. Right? My mother, them call my mother Cherry. And them always I say, look what happened to, you want to so and so. I say, what? Your sister Cherry did right. You see him come out for you and look what happened to him. I'm done. So me not really buy into that something that what my mother said. But, you know, my relative, them who know what my mother said, you can't tell them, say, my mother never right in terms of what my mother said. The Spirit revealed to her. When me believe, it just go back to good old time people adage. ADAGE, right? I think it just go back to good old foundational principles of good living. You remember that something that whatever you sow, you shall. President, me I hear you chat loud out there, you know. I watch up you. Yeah. I dump it upon your car, you alone out there. Okay. Yeah, you know what I'm saying there? Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Implicit in that statement is an understanding that if you sow something, you make choices. Choices. We are our choices. And another extension of that is, whatever you do the most, that's who you are. We are our habits. Whatever it is you do the most, whatever activity, whatever thought or thoughts, let's use a plural, you engage in the most in your day-to-day living, from day to day, week to week, month to month, year to year. Whatever it is that you do the most, that's who you are. If you spend most of your time on phone, that's who you are. You are a spend time on phone person. If you spend most of your time at go church, that's who you are, which doesn't necessarily mean you're a righteous person. Yeah, only for wicked people, them go church, them not stop go church. That's who you are. You're a church goer. If you spend most of your time I hate PNP or I hate JLP, that's who you are. You're a PNP hater and a JLP hater. That's who you are. And whatever energy you put out constantly, that is who you are. And there is a certain boomerang elasticity to energy. And it's nothing new. It's nothing new. I'm not telling you nothing new one in a year before. Right? It's that thing where whatever you chew out, it'll come back to you. It may not come back to you right away. You know? It may not come back to you right away. But it just makes sense. I mean, people repackage these things in, you know, you hear this thing about the secret, you hear about the law of attraction and all these things and whatever. People repackage them and rebrand them and whatever. But it's essentially the same thing. Whatever you sow, that you shall reap. Whatever you put out, that will come back to you. Careful enough, people. Don't misinterpret it, you know. Don't get up on a kind to everybody. When they might use you, yeah, say, well, me a kind, because, you know, you have to have some common sense with that and whatever. You understand? So it's within reason. But again, part of the reason I make sure I don't hate people, Part of the reason when my enemies, them a behave certain way and whatever, me condition myself not to put out certain things towards them, not care how wicked they were to me, is because me I go end up I blame them, I go blame Obia, I go blame white people, I go blame racism, I go blame everything else and whatever, this and that and ray. Upon the outside, and now pay attention to what go on in my inside in terms of the hatred that I generate for that group there, or that person there, or that wicked somebody there, and whatever. When you appraise yourself, if you are going to wish something wicked and terrible for happen to somebody, it have to start in a you, inside of you, for wish it. And so it is, you have people out there now who throughout my life, I see them do that to me, and I see that thing go right back and yam them up. I see it go back and eat them up. I see them wickedness and them evil go back and just color them in a man. And deal with them wicked in a man. Some of them humble, some of them dead, some of them psychologically get crippled and thing and whatever. The terrible things happen to some people, man, and whatever. Hey, man, I tell them, man, you see that something there? Hold on. Yeah, man, you see that something there? You have to be careful, like. So, wicked dirty people. Alright, boy. Dirty people who I wish bad for Prezi. Who don't want to see Prezi live. Dirty wicked people who don't want Prezi get the big work them and for go up on the flyer them and the big banner them. Who don't want Prezi for work this Independence Week. Prezi are dead. Yo. Yo, all out there who get consumed with evil and on the narcissism, on the selfishness, on the wickedness, you understand? On the Machiavellian manipulation, them and all these things. And I wish all kind of wickedness from people all out there.
Some try to put a curse on people, cause them heart full of evil. Tell them we say a God over devil. Yeah. Everybody sing along now. Reverse the curse to where it's coming from.
Where that come from? President, me like that song you see, man. To them hear the song, you know, man. Reverse the curse, where that come from. Come again, people.
Some try to put a curse on people. Cause them
people know say Ragashanti in a place like a talk show me running up. But me I run that one tune and me hear that new tune and I like it. You know what to ride the people.
To put a curse on, some try to put a curse on people. Cause them heart full of evil.
Let me reverse it, you know.
Everybody sing along now.
Reverse the curse
to where it's coming from.
Send it back.
Turn it back as fast as you can.
Yes, man.
Cause Father God, you know their malicious intentions. So send it back to center and mash up their plans.
Send it back to them. President, send it back to the sender and mash up them plan. All who did a fight against Lana. All who did a fight against Club Dubai. Lana have a thing for no this summer, you see, man. When that the club they reopen,
Some trying to put a curse on people. Cause them heart full of evil. Tell them we say a God over devil. Yeah. Everybody sing along now. Reverse the curse to where it's coming from. Yeah. Turn it back as fast as you can. Cause Father God, you know their malicious intentions. So send it back to center and mash up their plans.
Send it back.
Say anything them set up and a cook up and a plan up, we go mash you up. Tumble down Panty.
What are the President? I think I look like it freeze. The chat freeze here. I want. Eh? The chat freeze, the Facebook chat freeze. Me nah see somebody I said, them tell me something, I nah see it and whatever. Listen to me, people. Dirty people, all of the man them who fight against Dub Master Chris because of no woman like Dubby hairstyle. All of the man them who fight against Dub Master Chris because them woman not cause no woman like Dubby new hairstyle we beat them bad, you know. Dubby I give them like a one edgy intellectual look, you know, a kind of Cornel West look and thing. All I want to was set this and that for Dub Master. Hey, listen.
Trying to put a curse on people, cause them heart full of evil. Tell them we say a God over table. Yeah.
Watch out now.
Sing along now. Reverse the curse to where it's coming from. Yeah. Turn it back as fast as you can. Ooh. Cause Father God, you know their malicious intentions. So send it back to center and mash up their plans. Yeah. Pray say anything them set up and a cook up and a plan up, we go mash you up. Tumble down Panty. Beg the Lord say the perils and the jeopardy and wickedness them plan. Come crashing down Panty. Tell them back up and leave you. Satan lose the fight once more. My God is always in time to settle the score. Everybody sing again now. Reverse the curse to where it's coming from. Yeah. Turn it back as fast as you can. Ooh. Cause Father God, you know their malicious intentions. So send it back to center and mash up their plans. No worry about where the enemy at, because you're good out there. Father God knows who you are. Tell the whole of them we don't fear nobody, cause God of you with daddy and we see them near and far. When the enemies a kick and toe, we on a box and punch with those bruises and those scars. Yeah, they built us up so strong to win any war. Everybody sing along now. Reverse the curse to where it's coming from. Yeah. Turn it back as fast as you can. Ooh. Cause Father God, you know they're wicked and bad intentions.
Sure.
So send it back to
Press it.
center and mash up the
Reboot this. You can't reboot this.
What was meant to be your curse can be your greatest blessing.
What on the hell? Well, listen to me. Well,
Some try to
anybody go like who don't want bad man DJ, bro? DJ Ryan Garfield for the big boat ride. We are forward. I want to fly at the present. What the fly there? If we don't go like who don't want come bad man, Chef Garfield and DJ Ryan, big boat ride. Jamaica celebrate Jamaica 68 when August the 7th, right? On the luxury cruise line Majesty. August the 7th. Aboard the Cornucopia, a big sitting, the biggest boat ride this summer. Dirty people, be a righteous people over there on the one year. So don't nobody try bad mind that one year. Cause that one year go on with bass. Something. When me say, Chef Garfield, alongside DJ Roy, that one year name, the celebration of Jamaica's 60th independence and Genesis 1 restaurant anniversary celebration. Sunday, August 7th, aboard the Cornucopia. Can I get a glory? The luxury cruise line Majesty. Yes, sir. Me know say enough of the Jamaican and the love say Majesty. But the right pronunciation is Majesty. You stress the ma, not the Jess. You stress the ma, not the Jess. You don't say Majesty. You say Majesty. Yes, man. And that's how it there. August 7th, the boat ride here. About 5 or 6 floor of niceness. Proper yacht. Call DJ Ray. Call Chef Garfield. Get your ticket soon. Cause the ticket them a go fast. Everybody a talk about it. And don't try bad mind it. Don't say nothing wicked for it, because it nah go take. It nah go take. It a go turn back. The curse going reverse.
put a curse on people, cause them heart full of evil. Tell them we say a God over table. Yeah. Everybody say
Here we go now.
reverse the curse to where it's coming from. Turn it back as fast as you can. Ooh, cause Father God, you know
Sure.
their malice malicious intentions. So send it back to center and mash up their plans. Yeah, pray say anything them set up and a cook up and a plan up, we go mash you up. Tumble down Panty. The Lord said the perils and the jeopardy and wickedness them plan. Come crashing down Panty. Tell them back up and leave you. Satan lose the fight once more. My God is always in time to settle the score. Everybody sing again. Reverse the curse.
Sure.
To where it's coming from.
Hallelujah.
Turn it back as fast as you can.
Turn it back.
Father God, you know.
Sure.
Their malicious intentions. So send it back to center and mash up their plans.
Here you know.
Don't worry about where the enemy set, because you're good out there. Father God knows who you are. Tell the whole of them we don't fear nobody, cause God of you with daddy and we see them near and far. When the enemies are kick and tongue, we on a box and punch with those bruises and those scars. Yeah, they built us up so strong to win any war. Everybody sing along now. Reverse the curse to where it's coming from. Yeah. Turn it back as fast as you can.
All who want bad mind Navlet because she look hot now. All who want bad mind because Navlet look hot you now. It's like a turn back wow no. Me say all who want bad mind Fox.
What was meant to be your curse can be your greatest blessing. And what was meant to take you down,
Sure.
keep your life progressing.
Sure.
They'll come at you with anything, but you've always survived everything. God has surely blessed you with a pair of wings. Everybody, let's sing.
Reverse the curse.
To where it's
Dirty people who want bad mind Fox for your foot. Dirty people who want bad mind Fox for your golden foot. Sure.
been wicked and bad intent.
Hey.
Send it back. Mash up their plans, yeah.
Reverse the curse.
Reverse the curse.
What's your right, people? Gonna take a little break. You're inside of Ragashanti live on the BRIDGE99 FM in Jamaica and IrieJam Radio in the New York City. Welcome. We juggle with a high energy flavor on a Friday night. Proper things in. Gotta take a little break right now and pay some bills and juggle it back in the thing. And we say energy, don't it?
Can't work around ya. Good over evil.
So we soon forward. Watch your right.
From Flat Bridge
To the George Washington Bridge. From the top of the Empire State Building to the Blue Mountain Peak.
from the Grill Point
To Morant Point.
to Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, Manhattan, New York City.
It's IrieJam.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Me say, I juggle. Yo, oh, so much echo in that something. Hey, me not unite, you know. Me a boy, but turn me road 3 times and ease off in the crosses. Worse, me have the right tune, yeah. People don't know say me not play a song for my tune. I don't know say me not play a song. You don't know say me not play a song or talk show me doing or whatever. So you see when me get a tune and me feel the vibes and all that. That Richie Stevens here go on with beer things. That Richie Stevens here cuss be a bad word. That Richie... Don't misinterpret it. It don't mean say literally a cuss be a bad word. It just means say it's a figure of speech. All right? It's a figure of speech. Means that the song are going with things. All right? Wait. Wait. Oh, Lord. I was going as a Prezi. Prezi, I was going as a... Eh? Prezi, come check out that something here for me. Come check out the something. I'm not see the cute thing when I come in. I don't know if it's switch off or something or whatever. This and that thing. I praise you at the boss and I know all the machine and thing or whatever in the people. Big up on yourself. All right, we're going to go to the phone line. Eh? I want, but I don't see the cue them. I want. Eh? I want to happen to it. Oh, people sorry. Oh, we're good again. Reverse the curse. I got the song. I got the song there. Reverse the curse. Yo, people just want to say big respect all Massive and crew. I was a Bronx, large up on yourself, you know. Staten Island, you don't know the levels, you know. Brooklyn, you don't know Queens people, big up on yourself. Long Island, Manhattan and thing, all them family. On know the levels. All of my Jamaica people, them large up now, the native son, same way. I mean, Miss Cherry Washbelly, the Tambourine King, the Mixup King, Ragashanti, original youth from East Queen Street Baptist Church, original youth from Southside. What was a Gold Street large up? What was a Widows Lane big up? Ayoban Street, Barry Street, Fleet Street, and I don't know the levels and thing. Big up on yourself in a Clover Valley Road, Blake Road, and I don't know. Listen, family, what was all spoilers massive and thing. Texley and Wildman Street, James Street. Big up on yourself in a Charles Street, Beeston Street. What was a Tel Aviv family? Big up on yourself and thing, large up. Now, I saw the thing said, all White House people, and I don't know how the boy. Beans Road, big up on yourself. Penwood Road, large up on yourself. Original Jamis family, big up King Jamis, big up yourself, Jam 2, large up. What we say, see you family, go so. Call all the better and the whole works. Anything off a Spanish town, anything in a Spanish town. I saw the thing said, yo, hey, dirty wicked people must pray that song, yeah. Dirty wicked people must pray that song, yeah. After them hear that song, yeah, to rotted, them are gonna worry, so anytime them gonna set them look a guzum, anytime them set them shoulder, for do this and that to people, it me just boomerang upon them nasty. Hey, yeah, wait, come on, wait there, check. All right, I'm gonna play for me. Done here.
Cause them heart full of evil. Tell them we say I got over
Check.
Reverse the curse to where it's coming from.
Maliki.
Turn it back as fast as you can. Cause Father God, you know.
Check.
Malicious intentions. So send it back to sender and mash up their plan.
Send it back. Me like that line there. It says send it back to sender and mash up them plan. Welder, big up yourself in a dirty people and fight against you in a welder, but look there. You rise and a shine. You rise from the ashes like a phoenix and a blind the old crosses them. You have some dirty people up a Bronx, them not like me. But listen to me, me nah wish bad for no. Me nah wish evil for no. Because whatever you set, you know, it a go turn back for you, you know. It a go color you know. It a go choke out to the nastiness. I don't have to do anything because with the wickedness what I do, already I do it to myself. Can I get a hallelujah? Listen to me, the man. Come on, man.
Trying to put a curse on people.
Sure.
Cause them
Who about my Tony Fox for a good foot? Who about my Joan Coot because she cute? Listen to me, the man. Sure.
reverse the curse to where it's coming from.
Brava die.
Turn it back as fast as you can.
Die.
'Cause Father God, you know their malicious intentions. So send it back to sender and mash up their plan.
Mash up them plan.
Crazy anything them set up and a cook up and a plan up, figure mash you up. Tumble down pandey. Beg the Lord say the perils and the jeopardy and wickedness them plan. Come crashing down pandey. Tell them back up and leave you. Satan lose the fight once more. My God is always in time to settle the score. Everybody sing again.
Reverse the curse.
To where it's coming from. Yeah. Turn it back as fast as you can.
Sure.
'Cause Father God, you know their malicious intent.
Send it back.
Send it back to sender and mash up their
Mash up them plan, man. Take a beer.
where the enemy set, because you're good out there. Father God knows who you are. Tell the whole of them we don't fear nobody, cause God of you with daddy and we sit them near and far.
Mr. Somehow know about my pretty punchy because she a drink the porridge every day. Somehow know about my pretty punchy because she a drink the porridge of foreign. Somehow know about my Mariska Dennis down there in Philadelphia, but see Mariska they are cute and strong same way. With a nice little cute body same way and a bust on the head. Who a fight against Tina because she whine and go down and couldn't come up back and then she stick to it and look there now. Tina whine and go down. And when she whine and go down, she can whine and come up back now. That is called growth. That is called progress. Who about mine, Tina? Who about mine, Mango, when time she did go ragabash and the wig fly off her head? How did I wish her, but no, see Mango still live right here now. Yeah, she live on the wig, live things are going for her. Listen to me, the people.
Some trying to put a curse on people.
Who about mine, IT Ellis, because him start go to gym and all these things. IT big up yourself for your wife or your two daughters, them you go and be a thing. Who about mine, Fancy Cat, and I wish same belly if it get bigger, and it really get bigger. Fancy Cat, Fancy cat. Fancy cat. Me hear say them over your belly for your belly get bigger. Fancy cat, comedian, fancy cat. Me hear say them over your belly for them. Lord Jesus, fancy cat no worry because if your belly I get bigger for them, I'm gonna get 5 times more because we're going to reverse the curse.
Some try to put a curse on people.
Check.
Heart full of evil. Tell them we say I got
Christian and the VP family, big up yourself.
everybody sing.
What are the Miss Pot? Large up yourself, Christian, Miss Pot and the VP family. Large up on yourself in a proper respect.
Evil. Tell them we say I got over table. Yeah. Everybody sing along now. Reverse the curse to where it's coming from. Yeah. Turn it back as fast as you can. Cause Father God, you know their malicious intentions. So send it back to center.
Mash up them plans.
Crazy anything them set up and a cook up and a plan up, we go mash you up. Tumble down pandey. Beg the Lord say the perils and the jeopardy and wickedness them plan. Come crashing down pandey. Tell them back up and leave you. Satan lose the fight once more. My God is always in time to settle the score. Everybody sing again. Reverse the curse to where it's coming from. Yeah. Turn it back as fast as you can. Cause Father God, you know their malicious intentions. So send it back to center and mash up their plans. No worry about where the enemy's at, because you're good out there. Father God knows who you are. Tell the whole of them we don't fear nobody, cause God of you with daddy and we see them near and far. When the enemies are kick and tump, we on a box and punch with those bruises and those scars. Yeah, they built us up so strong to win any war. Everybody sing along now.
Reverse the curse
To where it's coming from.
to where it's coming from.
Turn it back as fast as you can.
I big Joe.
Cause Father God, you know
Sure.
they're wicked and bad intent.
I said send it back to the sender
Back to center.
and mash up them plans.
What was meant to be your
Our people don't know the levels and thing in a year where we work with. They don't know say Ragashanti live and things so they can't call in with anything on the one calling with scene. We don't know the levels and thing, but at the same time, man, we have always have a topic where we work with and juggle with and thing like that. So here you go on right now. Calling about anything on the one calling about, you know. But at the same time, if we don't have some enemy out there, if we don't have some people who did a wish you bad and thing, I want to call in and chew a word upon them. I just can't call. I just cannot call any name. Don't call no name. So if anybody did do you something evil and you overcome it and thing, or you know, so you see them and go through some terrible things right now, and them did wicked thing and whatever, call in and tell me about that something there. Tell me about that something there. If you have a relative, if you have a friend, a colleague, a co-worker, you understand, a church sister, a church brother, who did perpetrate some serious evil upon you right now, and you overcome it, you survive it and thing, and you live to see how some crosses reach them and thing. Meanwhile, you call in and rinse the 100 upon them and give them head upon them, and this or this something there. At the same time, I can't call in about anything I want to call in. Do remember that if you're calling outside of the United States or Canada, the toll-free number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. Again, 888-546-8742. If you call from Jamaica, I don't know the levels. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. In the meantime,
Your life has been.
Wait. What that? Why, President? Hold on, Mr. Sick. Nah, man, I want to go on and say, well, that's something here, man. All right. So the phone line, you know what, I can't bring it over here, so and see what I go on there. Boy, President system different, you know. Anyway, watch your levels. Okay, the phone line, what my people, the phone line up. In the meantime, yo, all who did listen free up Thursday. No, that scamming mix up there. Hey, that them call it, what them call it? Romantic scam, that them call it, right? Tinder. You don't know about Tinder. And that's how they think them go on. And why people free up is a show where me keep online, on YouTube, on Ragashanti TV. Ragashanti TV on YouTube. And we had a caller who call in and give it a piece of mix up they will reach with one scammer. You don't need to listen to something there, right? You don't hear it yet, need to hear it. Press something freeze again. You don't hear it yet, need to hear it again, see? Right? Yes, ever nice, big up yourself. You don't need to listen and mix up there. You understand? Give me a caller, Hello?
Raga,
Wagwan.
good night.
Good night.
That's a early up because I have big up my community.
Which one are your community now?
Central Kingston, man. Are you talking about Wildman Street, Tex Lane, James Street, all of them places?
Well, you don't know, so me used to live this one, go school this one, go church this one,
Yes,
East Queen
man,
Street
me know,
Baptist
me
Church,
know,
Calabar,
man,
all
me
age
know.
and take. Okay, talk up here now, Wagwan.
Let's bless you still, you see it?
Cooler, man. And wait, down there, you're the right, you know?
Yes, man.
Big up on yourself down there, you know. I wish part down there, you're the pan. Spoiler side, south side, highway.
Spoiler side.
Spoiler side, big up on yourself, you know. I don't know what's the ratings, lock and seal. Tell me something, just quietly, you know, for you. Dexter still there, the teacher law still down there.
You want to tell us still about, man?
All right, big him up, you know. Tell me and him used to go school. When I tell go school, same grade, same whatever, you know. And me rate him, you know. Because I used to look
man,
out for me
that's
one
all.
time. We don't even make to load up certain things, but him look out for me one time in a school and thing or whatever. I not forget them things. You understand?
Yeah, man, I'm fabulous of the area, fabulous.
What, the Fabulous family? What you know about the Fabulous family? Hey!
That's the area, Raga.
Big them up, man. You don't know, say I get to me saying, I not forget where me come from, you know. You know my thing set long time, don't?
Yeah, man, do it yourself.
All right, respect for the ailments here, man.
All right.
You know that Central Kingston, Smith Lane, me place them, man. We are talking about when boy a little bit I go school, you know, some of the young people don't know what go on. When we used to go around the upper, and go buy the snowball, and then put it now with Anna, and the snowball a freeze with Anna, we just a suck out the syrup out of the ice and all these things. Who remember them days there? We are talking about Asham and all them something there. We are talking about Stagger Lee. Who know about Stagger Lee, a Calabar all age legend in the thing. All right, give me a call. Hello, President. President, send out a call. All right, 876-676-4996 from Jamaica. 876-676-4996. Sasha Denton, big up yourself. I use the spoilers. No, you don't know. Southside family, you don't know. I just want to balance up a thing and peace up a thing and just go and live good with one another down there, you know, because I don't know if I make all certain people kind of, you know, do certain things, so make you not do certain things against one another and thing. Lego them thing the right, you know, and pre the thing different, don't. Right? Anyway, that thing that's something the people on the need for listen and mix up there, so you can go check it out. That boy, that's the mix up of the year. And it's a be I tell you about how are you don't know about the Tinder scamming thing. Them all make a movie off it. But we have a Jamaican woman who got you a sitting there, man. And she tell you about it, man. And when I tell you, say, the mix up of the year, you don't need to go listen. It depend Free Up episode 35. Free Up. You have to go in at the live section, the live playlist, because it was a live show. When she tell me and call in and thing, right? And you don't need to go check out that. Okay. With respect to last week and thing, several of you on link me about certain things and with a brother who did call in and you know, basically I said him did a deal with this lady, this young lady. Well, I'm assuming it's a young lady. And he reached a point when him did want to look dugu from her. And basically, she just said, no, she don't want just go do, you know, meet him and just know him and the first time him come to her, she go do it. Worse, she had never done it before. She was a virgin. I mean, him give more details, but basically he was explaining that him never feel good about that. So when him did approach her, if she do so with him, she never do it. And him say, he make up his mind for teach her a lesson. That basically he must say she was engaging in faulty reasoning. So his position was, you know, him going to educate her about something. He might do something good for her. Basically, this is how it was framed, right? And in so doing, him spend 6 months with her, basically a bill her trust and thing and whatever, in order for she reach a point where she submit to him and allow him to have sex with her for the first time, for she having sex the first time. Then him say, right after him have sex with her, him just left her. And tell her, say, him did just stay there just to prove the point that, according to him, it's faulty thinking to think that if she don't sleep with a man the first time when him want sex with her, that is automatically a good thing. Because his point was, she can wait long for sleep with a man and the relationship turn out bad. Or she can sleep with a man when she just meet him and the relationship would turn out good. Now, many of you had some emotional and passionate response to it. My take on it, and I reiterate, that while academically, intellectually, his reasoning is sound, because there is no guarantee, nobody knows the future, right? That anything going to work out the way you want it to work out, irrespective of when you sleep with someone. My point was that what he did was in some way callous. It was mean. And given the particular facts in the mix-up, young lady, never sleep with anybody, trying to be careful. My point was she did nothing wrong. In fact, I think she did everything right. Right? So it's not that me I say him wrong. The academic thing where him talk about, yes, President Mr. the academic thing where him talk about, right. But what he did was callous. Now, so, not surprisingly, mostly women, pretty much all women and a lot of men, did upset with what him say and how him explain. Understandable. But I noticed several of them man miss the point because come from me basically upon the level like, but the youth no wrong. The youth has said so and so and so and so. Miss the point. I was the same wrong about the reasoning. Me never say wrong about that. But what I'm unable to do is to separate that from the impact of what, the impact where him do to what, the impact where is action upon her. Remember, for her to have not wanted to sleep with him, never slept with a man before, it means that he, in a manipulative way, in a callous, systematic way, he must have pretended and behaved in certain way in order to win her trust, for her to submit to him. And that type of manipulation, I'm saying, with the result being that he was hell-bent on proving her wrong, which me never think she wrong for what she had do. Him could have just explained the thing to her. Him never did have to do what him have to do. I said, boy, I wouldn't be surprised if him damaged that young lady psychologically right now where, who knows what's the long-term impact of what he did. So again, for some amount of man who I said the youth never wrong and I'm surprised how I can't see the reasoning. I don't see what I say. Me say him reasoning right. There's no guarantee that your relationship going to turn out good, irrespective of when you sleep with the person who you're getting in a relationship with. I agree. But that certainly don't excuse what he did and how he did it. And we certainly should not be comfortable with the result of what he did. That is all I was saying. So I think on a conflate both things while I am looking on them in a separate way, right? Anyway, on a Friday night, we have to break at the top of the hour for 3 minutes, for IrieJam Radio here in New York and the big station here, 93.5. So we're soon forward. 3 minutes.
Go to bed with us. Wake up with us. Spend your day with us. We're all you'll ever need. The Bridge 99 FM, on air and online all the time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Check. Up in the juggling and thing, up in the juggling. All right, back in the thing. Big up on yourself and thing, yeah. Yeah, man, with a brother thing on the calling, boy, anything you want to call in and thing, but at the same time, if you don't want to call in on a topic, you can't do it. See? If you don't have a situation where one did in or somebody else did in or whatever, where you have some...
It's Rory Stone.
Where somebody... They can't frighten me with them thing they... Where somebody did that wish you bad, where somebody doing some evil, where somebody doing some wickedness, I want to live for some retribution, take them. Call in and get with the med pan it, you understand? Call in and get with the med pan it. If you call from New York or America or Canada, the number is 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. If you're calling from Jamaica, the number is 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996. To the phone lines we go. Good night. Hello. Greetings.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Yeah, good night, Raga.
Huh?
Yeah, Raga, what to the dating program?
Nah, you what you're saying, your phone.
Want to the dating program with the family.
What happened to the what?
Dating program with the family.
No, I put it together. Them something you have to think them out properly, you know. So I put it together. We're working on it, and then some look at permissions and things I have to go on to, you know? And thing, all right?
All right.
Okay, all right then, cool. Yeah, the general, so after the dating program. Oh, the dating program going to run on, man. Give me the next call, President. Hello. No, we're going to run a dating thing per request from the listeners. We're going to have a look at thing where people who are interested. No, well, we can have like an informal preliminary thing too, you know. So if yeah, we can feel it out now, you know. We can start feeling it out now, you know. So seriously, if you're listening right now and you're interested in having someone, meeting someone, okay? You can call in and I will ask you the appropriate questions that I think people who might be interested in you would want answered, the questions they would want answered, and then we can see where we go from there. So if you're interested in meeting a man or a woman, you know, in your life or whatever, and perhaps the likelihood of you meeting the particular type of person you want would be increased with a program like this, given that it goes out primarily to Jamaica and its diaspora. Well, here in the United States, it goes out to the metropolitan New York City. So you'd be definitely reaching a diverse set of people and things. But if you're interested in that regard, feel free to call in and give me a call, Prince. Hello. Greetings.
Hi.
Yes.
Greetings.
Yes.
What is Raga?
Yeah, man, Raga this. Wagwan.
Raga, yeah, big up the spoiler, the original spoilers, you know, and I are the original spoiler from Wildman Street and Wildman Street and Sutton Street corner, you know.
Cool, no, man.
We never know you know them, the party got on them Monday.
No, man.
And them Monday.
No, man. I really know everybody there, you know, but me was at Calabar All-Age School, East Queen Street Baptist School. I mean,
Calabar, right at the corner of Sutton Street there.
Sutton Street and James Street, right.
Yeah.
But probably my time before your time doing.
No, Raga, your time after my time, Raga, man.
No, hold
on. Your time after my time.
Hold on. My time a staggerly time, you know. My time a upper time, you know. My time a... Me don't know.
That after Poogie and them, after Poogie and Patty Guts and them Monday.
Well on. What how old are you?
Joe said
How old are you, if you don't mind?
Me are 72.
Oh no, well, after yeah. No, after your time. You're a big man for me, I know. You're a big man for me now. Yeah. No, me have to show you proper respect, right, you know. You see it, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I had the original spoiler, but still live there rumbling and Southern Street corner, man.
Cooler, man. Man.
Bless myself.
No, man, you see my time. Chubby Dread I run South, Pepsi I run Tel Aviv and thing and whatever.
Chubby, I'm a brethren still, you know.
Cooler, man. See.
Chubby, I'm a brethren. Rest in peace.
See,
you know?
yeah. And you don't know when I go load up certain things, but you know what I say, no? Certain thing
man,
and thing. Yeah.
Man, you know,
all right, big up yourself, man. See.
That's so.
Yeah, man, I'm a virgin, you're a bigger man for me, man. Yeah. Yo, next call, President. Send on. Hello. Greetings. Hello.
Yeah, me there.
Yeah, greetings, yeah.
Greetings, but me look a partner.
Yeah, look a partner. Okay, you're looking a partner. Okay. And where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Suffolk County, Long Island.
All right. You can't have the radio playing in the background, yeah? You have to move away from the radio or have them turn off the radio, all right? Or move away from it, okay?
I'm in Suffolk County, Long Island.
You're in Suffolk County in Long Island and thing, and you want a
partner.
Okay. And what you want? You want a partner?
Yeah, man.
All right, then. All right. Tell me the type of partner you're looking for. Give me some of the qualities and things. So, we have thousands of people, tens of... Huh?
Listen.
Yes.
She got to be Jamaican.
She got to be Jamaican, all right. And?
I am Jamaican. She got to be Jamaican.
Right. And what else? What else you want? What type?
No religious. Nobody with no religious person, right?
You don't want a religious person.
I don't want a religious person.
Okay.
I want a person who is just free. And loose. Parties, clubs, things like that.
Oh, you want a woman who is free and loose and can go to parties and clubs and things like that, right?
That's it.
Okay. And what else you want in her personality?
Listen to me right now.
Yeah.
I just want her to be single right now, involved with nobody, right?
Okay, all right.
I just want to be free. And she don't have no kids.
Oh, she mustn't have any. You don't want her to have any children?
No.
No.
I'm 41. And I still I could make my own kids.
Okay, how old are you?
I am 41.
You're 41. And you have any children?
Mm-hmm.
You have any children?
No.
Oh, you don't have no children?
No.
No, okay. And you want a woman who don't have any children yet, right?
That's it.
Okay, do you plan to have children with her if it work out?
Of course.
Okay, all right then, cool. Okay. All right, so describe yourself now because so the ladies them can have an idea who you are and what type of person.
Right now.
Yeah.
Right now.
Yeah.
Right now.
Yeah.
You listen to me?
Yeah.
I'm in a hospital. I am an executive chef. I'm an executive chef.
You're an executive chef? Okay, right. Yeah.
I work like $80,000 a year, right?
You make $80,000 a year. Okay, that's pretty good, yeah. A year, okay.
And listen to me, I have my own home. I have my house.
You have your own house? Okay.
I have my own transportation.
Your own transportation? Right. You have your own car, right?
I have a lecture. have a Lexus in the driveway right now, right?
You have a Lexus in the driveway right now.
I don't want. I paid 50,000 2 weeks ago for it.
Oh, 2 weeks ago you paid 50,000. Wait, is that cash?
No.
Okay.
I could pay cash, but I don't pay cash.
No, you could pay cash, but you just chose to finance it. Okay, that's fine.
No, because that would be stupid to pay cash for it, right?
Well,
what do I want a woman, no kids.
Yes.
Nothing. I don't want no mother or mother coming by the relationship.
Oh.
I don't want a woman mother coming by the relationship.
You don't want any woman calling where her mother are going involved in the relationship and get it. Okay.
No, I don't want that.
No, you don't want that. Okay.
Because my mother is dead.
The what?
I don't have a mother.
You do have a mother. Okay.
My mother died, is exit already gone.
Okay, all right. Okay.
I just want me and her to be together.
Right.
I could take care of her. It don't matter if she's working or having things. As long as I am in Barbados,
yes,
she'll be all right.
Okay, so
one thing I'm telling any woman, right? Don't cheat on me because I won't cheat.
Okay, so you will never burn her. You will never cheat on her. And any woman who...
I never burn her. I don't want she burn me because I will never burn her.
Okay. Have you ever been in a relationship where a woman born you before?
Yeah, like 2 times before.
Wow.
I left my last woman was because she cheated on me.
She did?
Because I was in the army, right?
You were in the army, okay.
I went away for a period of time. When I come back, I realized she's cheating and I leave her. Because, you know, women like that, right? If you have a man, they're going to cheat, they're going to go astray.
The woman like what? What did you say? What did you say? What that go?
No. Any man.
Yeah.
I didn't fuss with her.
Right.
If you're not there for your man, they're gonna cheat.
Oh. And how long did you go away in the military for? How long did you go away?
A year.
A year. And then she cheat with you, she gonna get to her next man.
Yeah, I was in Iraq.
You were in Iraq. Yeah. And she gonna cheat and gonna pick up her next man, don't?
Right now, I'm home. I'm not in the army no more.
Right.
Anyone I want right now, they got to be faithful to me. Right. And I am faithful to them.
Right.
I'm not a cheater.
You're not a cheater. Okay, good.
No.
And you said...
When I fall in love... What?
Yeah, and you said that time you will take care of her. She doesn't have to work if she don't want to, right? Is that what you said?
You don't have to.
Oh.
All you got to do, take care of my house.
Right.
I have your own house.
You have your own house.
Take care of me.
And is that house in Suffolk County? Is that house in Long Island too?
Yeah, I'm over here in Highlander in Long Island.
Okay, over there. So you're living in Long Island and thing. Pretty nice here over there. And you have your own house and thing. And you say all she'd have to do is just take care of the house. So you will take care of her. Okay, interesting.
Right now I'm single.
And you're single,
I'm
right?
single and I'm lonely.
You're lonely?
I'm looking for a woman, a Jamaican woman.
A Jamaican woman, okay. And you're lonely right now. You're single.
I don't want no other race.
Yeah, you don't want
I don't want no other race. Gotta be a Jamaican.
Okay, it has to be a Jamaican. Okay.
I am Jamaican, and she gotta be Jamaican, right?
All right, then, auntie. All right. So listen now. Huh?
Hello?
Yes. No, I'm listening to you, yeah?
The cheating is out.
No, man, you made that clear. Earlier on, did you say you were in the hospital right? Well, did you say you were in the hospital right now?
I work in Brookdale Hospital as a chef.
Oh, you work as
I
a
work
chef in
executive.
the hospital, in Brookdale Hospital as a chef. You're an executive chef. You had me, I made us known. Okay, good. All right, Prezi, just write down chef and write down him number in case we have any woman who call in for this gentleman and thing or whatever. All right,
Yeah, man, you have a number, right? I'm gonna give that again.
No, man, no, Prezi, have the Prezi. I don't think it's a good idea for you to put. You want to put your number over the ear?
No.
No.
When I call you, you got me up. You got the number, right?
Right, I have the number. That's why we say we have the number and we're going to put chef, executive chef beside.
So call that number, right?
No, we have your number. So if somebody is interested, they would call in and we would send their number to you.
Okay, all right.
We're not going to give them your number, you know.
And another thing, I'm 41, right?
Yeah.
I want one from 40 to 50, no older, no younger.
Okay, you're 41 and you want a woman from 40 up to 50. No younger, no older.
That's
okay,
it.
okay, all right then. Good.
No older. That's it. All right.
Hold on. You remember you said that you want to have children, right?
I want to have children.
Okay.
But still,
No, hold
listen
on.
to me.
No, hold on.
I'm 41. I could still have children.
No. I'm sure you could, at 41. Now, what I would suggest to you, though, is I don't know if you want to be a little bit more flexible with the age range. And while technology and...
No,
listen, all right? All I'm saying to you is it's more difficult. We do have women who have children in their 40s, but you should be reminded that it's more difficult for women to have children in their 40s.
Yeah.
The natural way.
I'm 41.
Okay, all right.
Let me switch it. From 30 to 45.
All right, then. You say you switch it from 30 to 45. Okay, so from 30 to 45, that you work with. I think if you plan to have children, I think that is a more reasonable age range to work with. Okay? All right? And listen now, I hope you don't, hold on, you don't mind me asking, because these Jamaican ladies nowadays, they want to know that their men, is physically capable of performing and things. So are you okay in that area? Are you okay?
No, that's why I say that.
What?
I'm born going Jamaican. I'm physically fit.
You're physically fit. So you can angle your business. You can put on a good work for a woman who wants a good work, right?
That's what I say.
That's what I say. Okay. All right then. Okay then. Bless it.
There be no disappointment.
The what?
There'll be no disappointment.
There'll be no disappointment because you can angle your business. No. All right, chef. Big up yourself here.
All right.
Yes, man. Cool.
All right.
Yeah, man. Cool. So there you have it, people. Chef just called in. Chef is 41 years old, and Chef is interested in having a partner. Prezi, hang him up there for me, please. Prezi, hang him up. Chef is 41 years old. He's interested in having a partner. He's Jamaican. He prefers a Jamaican woman. He makes in excess of $80,000 a year. So, and people remember in the U.S., being a chef can be considered quite a good job here. And he resides in Suffolk County in Long Island. He was formerly in the military. He was very explicit that he doesn't want any woman who will give him bun and cheat on him and whatever. Said he was in 2 relationships before where him get bun, and that explains why he would prefer not to be in that situation. Against him, don't want any woman who are gonna bun him and thing. He also says that he wants a Jamaican woman and that the woman doesn't have to work because he will take care of her. So if you're interested in meeting Chef and thing, it's a part of the reason why this thing hasn't set up yet. We're going to have like a 24/7 number where people can call in and leave messages, because not everybody going to want to call in the show. upon this to express certain interest in certain people who might, present themselves on the show. So that is something else that I have to put in place. But we're doing a preliminary thing now, and Chef is the first person that came out and things. So if any of you ladies are interested in Chef, and Chef, is exploring the possibility of having children and whatever, and he seems to have been very clear that he don't want anybody too young. So after a bit of negotiation and some clarification, he made the age range flexible, so 35 to 45, Chef said. And remember that he's 41. So if you fall within that realm, and it is something you want to explore, well, keep it in mind, and then we will give you a number where you can call or you can call in. Anyway, good night. Next call, President. Hello. 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 Hello, people want to call.
Hello.
Yes, please, want to call. Don't just listen to the radio and not pay attention to the phone, please, okay? All right, yes, good night.
Yeah, good night, morning.
All right, it's night.
Good night,
move away from the radio, please. I'll turn it off.
Yeah, we can have the radio.
Yeah, what you say a while ago. Good night, morning.
Sorry.
Only a Jamaican would do that. Yeah, what go on?
Yeah, that's our partner, me I look.
You looking a partner?
Yeah, one nice brown-skinned girl from foreign.
You want a nice brown-skinned girl from foreign?
Yeah.
All right, where you calling from?
Jamaica.
Where in Jamaica?
Savlamar.
How old are you?
29.
You're 29? And you live in Savlamar, Jamaica, and think, and you want
yes, sir.
All right, now, first tell me the type of woman you want now.
Like a woman where then I work together and help out situation.
Okay.
And in a street for me, I sit on her.
Right.
And when certain things to deal with, it will go to hands and heart and deal with it.
And when certain things to deal with, you carry to hands and heart and deal with it. So you say you want somebody who can work together in harmony, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you also say you want she must be a brown-skinned girl from foreign. Explain that.
Yes, sir, from foreign. Nice brown-skinned girl from foreign.
A nice brown-skinned girl from foreign. Is there any other...
Yes, because I'm a dark-skinned person.
You're a dark-skinned person, so why is it that you want a brown-skinned woman?
No, I like a brown-skinned woman to match my complexion.
Okay, so you say you are dark-skinned?
Yes, sir.
And you're saying that the person who would match your complexion is a brown-skinned woman?
Yes, sir.
Okay. She must do? She must tall or short, or it don't matter to you?
Short like me.
She must short like you? How tall are you? Do you know your height?
No, I'm not going to tell a lie.
Oh, I'm
not going to tell a lie.
You're not going to tell a lie?
No.
Oh, you don't...
I'm not going to tell a lie, so I tell her no. I don't know my height.
Oh, you don't know your height? Okay, that's fine. But you're short. You're short. You say you're short, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, then I think. All right, then. So if a nice brown-skinned foreign woman is listening now, you need to explain to her.
Yes, sir.
What it is about you that would give her value in her life. What is it about you that is good that she would want to be with you? Right? So you have to explain that and explain that good now. Go ahead.
Almighty God.
What that?
Repeat what you said? Me say, Almighty God.
So why you did not change up your voice so only God can tell you?
No, me say, what I just said. No, something was in my mouth. That's why.
Oh, something in your mouth. That's why you did not change up your voice?
Yes, I just take it out.
Oh, something in your mouth and you just take it out?
Yeah, like soda. No, so me have one gumbo like gumbo inside of my mouth, like. So me put the soda on the gumbo.
You have one gumbo in your mouth?
Yes, sir.
So you put soda on the gumbo to cool it down?
Yes, sir.
All right. So real quick, because we have some other call for take. So just tell the woman them now, what is it about you? What would that make them want to be with you?
Yeah. That's what they got. Me like a brown skin girl.
No. You don't know. You still have to tell me what you like. You have to tell me what it is about you. You have to describe. You have to present some things about you now. Why a woman will want to be with you.
No, so me look handsome. I me love that about God.
Okay, so you.
Yeah, I mean I have love.
Okay, so you're handsome and you love talk about God and you have love.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so those are the qualities that you know that a woman would want in a man, right?
Yes, sir. I mean honest.
And you're honest. That is good.
Yes, sir.
Just before you go though, you have to explain what it is about you that make you handsome. Describe what makes you handsome.
I treat myself clean. I treat my community. No, I treat myself clean. I treat my yard clean. I treat my house clean.
Oh, okay. And what I'm saying is describe your physical features, you know, that make you handsome. What is it about you that make you handsome?
Sorry, only guy can't tell me. I understand the party.
You don't understand the party. That's okay.
No.
All right, describe your face. Describe your face. Or your forehead steer. Or your jawbone steer. Or your brown.
Round and
you what? You're round.
I look pretty. Light skin.
No, but you say you're dark. You say you're dark skin.
Yeah, that I mean. I said it look round and pretty and dark.
So your face round and pretty?
Yes.
Okay.
And there are lyrics.
And you have lyrics?
Yeah, that's it.
You're sure?
After.
Okay, all right then. Thanks. We see who are interested here. Thanks for that.
Yes, sir.
All right then. Next call, President. Next call. Give me a call from up here. Hello, caller. Good night. Hello.
Good night, Raga.
Yeah, good night, Mr. Never Wrong. What's going on?
Yeah, what are you doing? I hear your program last week and I gave it.
Yeah.
The guy was saying I harm me.
Yeah.
The woman, no matter when take it,
yeah.
The woman don't cheat on him. And if the woman cheat on him, the woman not cheat on him, the woman cheat on himself.
But why you say no matter when take it, woman I go cheat on him? Why would you say that?
You never cheat because no matter where you take it, you never cheat.
No, but you see, but your wife never did cheat on you before she passed. She never cheat on you.
No, but what I'm saying, with them a generation I know, no care what you give them, they still go cheat.
So this man asks her a Jamaican woman, so you are saying whichever Jamaican woman him get, she going to cheat on him?
No, this guy was start. The first guy was start before.
Yeah, the first guy who
right. The army.
Right, but I'm saying him want, them cheat on him, but him saying want a Jamaican woman. So and you say, no matter where him take it, them woman nowadays, I go cheat. So I'm just asking you, are you saying that if he indeed get a Jamaican woman, that Jamaican woman going to cheat on him?
Yes, we cheat, yes.
But why you think so Jamaican women are cheaters?
Yes, they will cheat, Mr. Not Jamaican woman alone. Don't get me wrong.
Right.
Don't get me wrong.
Yeah.
Listen, Raga.
Yeah.
Me depend too long for certain things that man catch me.
Yeah.
Me depend too long.
Yeah.
For certain things and it catch me.
Yeah.
And you go by the saying. The wise man can't play upon the fool, but the fool can play upon the wise man.
Okay. No, but you know,
the wise over the
but Mr. Never Wrong, you don't think so there's some nice women out there who don't, nice Jamaican women.
Yes, I never said that.
Hold on. You don't think there's some nice Jamaican women out there who you can give them the world and they can be so grateful and thankful for you doing so much for them that they don't cheat on you?
Yes.
Okay.
But after they met company, after they met certain company and certain climate, what should go happen? Not Jamaican alone, don't get me wrong.
Right, okay.
What should go happen?
What you say?
Don't get me wrong.
So you say I saw the woman them stay after a while and them not start knocking with certain.
After a while, get and things now come for them way.
Yeah.
Especially the young generation I know.
Especially
things now come for them way.
Okay.
Things now come for them way. Oh man. Oh. You sorry the day you go put a ring on the finger?
Okay.
Mark, you never listen to me, Naraga.
Yes.
Me tell you one more time.
Yeah.
Me depend hold too long.
Yeah.
If see certain things happen and it catch me.
Yes.
That not go catch me. Trust me.
Yeah.
right? And when you're in the army, you get break.
Yeah.
Then give you time.
Yeah.
To come and look for your woman or your wife for you.
Yeah. Go
So
tell me something.
When you're in the army, you get...
Tell me something. Pretty Punches just she post this lady, young lady, she young too, you know, and she up on the internet and listen to the show. And she just post and she say, she young too, and she consider herself pretty. And she just post on the internet say, let me read it. She said, Mr. Neverang is a damn idiot. Him don't know what him talking about. She named Pretty Punchy. What you have to say to Pretty Punchy?
Me not know if say to him because he don't know me and you know, but as me say.
No, but she just said you are a damn idiot and you don't know what you're saying about these women nowadays, young women nowadays. That's what she said.
Them are young, them are young generation nowadays now. When things not come for them here,
yeah,
you're sorry the day you go there. And sorry the day you put on one finger.
Jesus.
Have that in mind. You're sorry. You're not go sorry now, you know, because it looks so good.
Right.
But when things start get drift,
yeah. When things get rough a little bit and things can get a little bit thing. At that time, them woman they fling your bush, no?
Yes, you fling your bush. Then they will tell you say they will tell you then they got them they auntie yard then got them and then my yard then they go.
And that them
man yard then they go.
And them things that them go and we tell us them gone and them auntie yard and thing when them gone a man yard.
Yes,
no?
Yes, exactly. As we say one more time.
Yeah.
Me the power too long.
Yeah.
Certain things that man catch me. Me don't know about you.
Well, what next woman named Navlet Howard. She on the theater, she say you don't know what you're talking. Let me read what she said. She say you don't know what you're talking about and you want somebody lick across your head with a frying pan. Navlet Howard, that's what she said.
Well, that's good. Because that never happened to me.
No, that's why she said you want somebody to lick across your head with one frying pan.
It not go happen to me.
Not go happen.
It will never, because number one, me tell you this and it's truth. Me not build no house for no man land. And for me find say you mean in your cheek, me throw you out.
Throw her out, okay. All right, Mr. Neverang.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. One last question. Navlet Howard said the only way she would be with a man like you and not cheat is if you would wash her underwear. You would wash her underwear?
If we live with a woman, me washing underwear. If me wash it, me do it because I me take care of.
Are you take care of? So you will wash your thing. But
yes, I will do it.
But do you know how to wash those underwear, Mr. Neverang? Because you have to wash those different. You can't fling them in a machine saying, oh, you wash the underwear.
No. We used to that long.
But how you wash woman underwear? How you wash them?
You put in a soap and water and take it and wash it.
You put that what kind of soap and water? Like what? Fab?
You liquid soap or
okay.
Any soap you have.
Any soap you have. And what you do?
And wash them.
And what? With your hand?
With your hand.
Okay.
No, you have to use your hand no more. You don't have to use your hand no. You put in a washing machine.
No, but when I said like some woman like them thing washing a Jamaican woman, them like when you hand. So you know for hand wash woman underwear? Eh? Mr. Neverang? Oh, look like we lost Mr. Neverang. Well, it is a good time to take a break, but just so you know, Prezi, you know, I hope you were listening to the instructions there. Prezi, you know, for wash and make your hand go script. Jamaicans are very particular about that, you know. If your hand wash, your hand must can go script. If your hand now go script, it now wash good. Right? Prezi, did you know that? Prezi, stop it laughing, man. Prezi, you must take a joke, me I tell you. Stop it laughing. Prezi, stop it laughing, man. Prezi, did you know that when you wash, your hand must go script? Did you know that? Well, me I tell you that. Listen to Mas Raga, right? As far as Jamaicans are concerned, when your hand wash something, if your hand now go script, it now wash. See Melissa, them are 20 yard. See Pretty Punchy, them are 20 yard. See Navlet, they see now 40s and thing. When them wash president and go script, that's why the clothes are always still dirty. You understand? Okay. Yeah, we're going to break with so forward.
This is IrieJam.
What? Over? Did you say over? Nothing is over till we decide it is. And it ain't over now.
name's Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on BRIDGE99 FM.
Boy, people, the challenges of life, me I go through it, me I go. You can't go all out. You can't go all out. Aye, boy. Anyway, people, up on the juggling and Ragashanti live on the BRIDGE99 FM, IrieJam radio, and I don't know what the thing said. Man thing, don't it? All right. RJ, big up yourself, you know, RJ. You're really out to know them for no. Okay. RJ, anybody are doing nothing, you just call me. All right, you call me. Because who we can't beat up, we give them Bigfoot. Okay. All right. 876-676-4996 in Jamaica, from Jamaica. 876-676-4996. If you're calling from the United States or Canada, the toll-free number is 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. Calling boy, anything you want, calling boy. Or if you would like to, we are in the preliminary stages of our dating program that you, the listeners, call this show and ask for. So we're doing some preliminary exploration of structure and form of how we can do this thing. And if you're interested in meeting a partner, right? And you know, say, these are the right show for you to meet the type of person where you want to meet, call in and tell me about it, right? If you want somebody for date, if you want, you know, if you want somebody who you want eventually marry, if you want somebody to just date, if you just want somebody to have a good time, or whatever the case may be, you're just calling and make we know. All right, to the phone lines we'll go. Good night. Hello. 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 Greetings.
I'm waiting for like 2 hours on the phone, rather. 2 hours, man.
No, all right. You're there, I know. Why go on?
Yeah, joke, man. I'm making 2 hours.
No, but you couldn't. You couldn't up on the show for 2 hours, because 2 hours not gone out of the show yet.
Are you? Yo, I'm there still. I'm there in New York, you know.
I'm
there in New York, Mount Vernon.
Yeah.
Mount Vernon, man, cool still, you know.
Vernon,
my thing tonight is about if a woman I give you a bun, you can't get mad. You can't get mad.
Why?
You know, you can't get upset.
Why?
I don't feel you on.
Okay.
I don't feel you on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's hers. Yo, if me I get bun right now, me can't get vexed. I don't think I Guinness and just pray to God and just say, I saw it going, you know what I mean?
Well, if you have been listening, me, you know, so me and you on the same page, right? You know, me and you on the same page with that. Yeah, me can't get bun right now, you know. Me can't get bun, you know. Me can't get bun.
Yo, let me say, if I get bun, me can't get vexed.
So, well,
too many women out here.
Yeah, well, you say too many women out there for you get vexed. So why if a woman say, well, you see, that's why you get born, because you never really love the woman then if you don't care what she do. Why if them use that? Why if the woman use them sykes upon you?
Right, them things they are going before me and you, man. Them things they are going since I walk the earth.
All right.
You understand?
See.
Yo, I'm just trying to say this to all listeners out there, yo. If y'all having some type of issue right now with your woman and you think on type of craziness, don't even think about it, my brother.
Right.
Or my sister, because every day read the paper, them things that go on. Man, I kill woman and I kill the baby and this and that. Come on, yo. We need more love out here, yo. Trust me.
Yo, you say y'all call from Mount Vernon, right? Right? Mount Vernon.
Rather.
Them in a year one big mix up bust up them man. One man think him woman a bun him and thing man and him kill her and kill himself. Kill her in front of her picnic them. Mount Vernon. No, last week.
Last week. Yeah, last week Sunday, you right.
Yeah.
The 3 kids in the house. Yeah.
Yeah, and him kill her in front of the 3 kids. Him kill her in front of the 3 kids and then kill himself.
Our Jamaican people, our own kind. Yeah, you're right, Raga. You're right.
They were Jamaican?
Sunday,
They were Jamaican?
Yeah, we just found out there was some yard. Yeah, we just found out that the woman sent for the man from yard. and him come up here, and you know what I mean? And
me I hear say she,
you know what I mean?
well, and she bring him up and all of him relative them come up America and thing or whatever. So me I hear.
Yes.
No, but how me get the
kinda
mix up, you
crazy,
know?
'cause I don't-
Well, I know how me get the mix up, you know? Me hear say him did a bun her too, you know?
Wow.
Yeah, me hear say him did a bun her too. And then when she must have put her back, me don't know who bun who first. How me get the mix up, to be honest with you. But him did a bun her. Him find out say she a bun him and thing. And the man kill her in front of her three pitney them. A three pitney, yes, sir, right?
3 kids, yeah. Sunday morning, like 5:30 in the morning. Sunday morning, 5:30 in the morning.
Yeah, me say when I pitney them, when Charla call the woman who did, because the woman, she must drop off somebody, right? Her friend, and then go home. And then me say one of the pitney them, I call all the woman, then no one I say, you know, daddy just, so-and-so just kill mommy, just shoot mommy. And then while the pitney attack, boop, he shoot and kill for himself too. You can imagine how much trauma them pitney there in a right, you know?
Yo, that's what I'm just, that's another reason why, I'm glad you brought that up, man, because that's what's going on now.
Right
you know
there, Mount Vernon, me you say that, right up there, Mount Vernon, me you say that. I never know say a Jamaican.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we just come to our talk, everybody saying that she bring him up from here and this and that and this and that.
Yeah,
right after this, so, you know, you able to place called Ragashanti restaurant and all them places, right in them area, right, so.
Oh.
Yeah, 14th Avenue, right there, 14th Avenue, right there, 14th.
People, on the year, me said it. Well on. You see, where you are saying me here on the same page. I mean, was enough of a man out there who burn me out for when I said this and whatever. But me, I tell you, if me have a woman, I'm a lover, I'm a come home, I'm a see a man have her two knee them, I touch her ears them, and him have an instrument with 10 times bigger than my own, and him a max it out in her. Me not doing her anything. Me not ball, me not trouble them. Me take time, lock back the door, make she finish. Because them need to finish that because that sound like a good work she get done. And me want them finish. And when them done, me say, all right, you do what you want to do with your pony. Which you have a right for do. And if me need to move on, I'm going to look Lisa and I try to take what Lisa and from her husband. I go find a single woman or whatever me need for go do me move on. Me not killing anybody. I mean, I stress over nothing. Because I don't own no pum-pum. You understand? Woman free for do it when they want with them thing. When the man out there, but what disrespect, man. Or you come and give a man pum-pum, or whatever. Who have any pum-pum? Who have any pum-pum? Who have man? If man reach to the take the bun,
exactly right.
take the bun and then go over to the Door restaurant. Take the bun and go over to Yard Style Restaurant in Brooklyn or the Door Restaurant or Springfield, girl, and eat a nice plate of food, drink a bottle of thing, then go beat 2 guineas or whatever, go to a party or whatever, and then you start, look how much woman out there, man. But you not kill woman or whatever. On a week.
Crazy, man. It's crazy. You're right. That's crazy. Me and grandmother, I take care of the kids them now. And the grandmother retired one day, so she had to take care of 3 of the kids. Yes, still.
You see what the man kill a woman for and kill himself for, right? And this is not the first. Look how much man we hear do them something there, whatever, this and that. Right?
Yeah.
Listen to Ragashanti. All man out there, listen to. Is a strong man. Is a strong man. Is a strong man. Can't get bun. I'm not going to do nothing to nobody.
Yeah.
That is a strong man. It's a weak man. If bun reach you, you going to stab up people, shoot people and all them damn foolishness there.
I don't understand too. Even the man who have money, they might kill people. Woman.
Weak them weak, man. Weak them weak. Weak them weak, man.
Yo.
Anytime I say it, you know. Anytime, Raga, you can't say that, you know. You can't go and say that, you know, until it reach you, or whatever, this and that. Let's just tell me, I get born already. Me get born when me born reach me, I make me walk and ball. Me walk and ball from born or whatever. Me never go kill nobody. Eh?
What hurt the woman the most when you don't pay them no mind.
What you say, what?
You know them cheap on you, you don't pay them no. What hurt a woman the most is when you know she had cheat and you don't pay her no mind. You don't ask her no questions. I probably wonder, yo, how come you not ask me that? Because I already know what you're doing.
No.
No,
Understood, you know. But the real power.
I tell you.
No. The real power lies in she do what she do, and it has no impact on you to the point where it doesn't even matter if she upset or hurt about it. It don't even matter to you. You know what real power is? Your woman burn you and you say, make sure say it did good, you know. Okay. It did turn up? All right. It did good. At least you're born for something good. All right? Yeah. That's a power.
You know
that is power.
You know I learned in relationship. You know I learned in relationships, rather.
Yeah.
A woman gonna do what a man have to do, and a man gonna do what a man have to do. I learned that in relationships. You know what I mean? As long as you have respect, and you know bring it to the table. And if you bring it to the table, I'm gonna say if you get catch or caught or how you wanna put it, just leave, man. Just leave and say, you know what, I saw it go.
Listen.
Reach for
well on.
Reach for our auntie. Reach for our, I'm telling you, that's how I'm doing. That's how I'm getting down.
What you mean? What you mean? When she born you and think you're going to start out with her auntie?
Yeah, the cousin, our best friend, our the babysitter. Even the babysitter, yeah.
Yeah.
The babysitter better, the babysitter. Yeah, all the babysitter, man.
No, man, no. Let me tell you, them in this, you know, because it's a psychological thing, you know. When I tell the man, them have this thing I call awareness, right? There's certain games that's played out there in relationships where you have to understand it like a general, right? So you see, when you're a woman a sort out, and remember, you know, when you're having sex, you're at an optimal state of pleasure that is unparalleled. Unparalleled means there is no state of mind outside of sex that is equivalent to sex, really, right? So you see, when you're in that thing there, and you go say to the woman, I my something with this, and she say, yes, I your pee this and whatever.
No, I'm not tell her that.
No, hold on. What I'm saying, no, you can't do it, man. You can't do it. When you're done, do it.
No, ask her that.
Hold on, when you're done, what she say to you?
She said to me all the time.
No, but when I say, if she said that to you, you just work with it, but you just, you know, when a man call the show, I think last week when a man call the show and say, him say one time, him and him woman observe a situation where one woman do to one baby mother do to one baby father, right? And him say at the time, baby mother said to him, John, you know, I could have never do that to you. I could have never do that to you. Him say years later, I the same thing she do to him. What am I getting at? Me tell people all the while, there is no disappointment in human interaction, none, that it was not based on some form of unfulfilled expectation. Right? Anything where people say somebody do to them bad, it means that them never did expect them to do that to them. You follow what I'm saying? Worse when you're in a relationship with somebody. Control that. If you can't control that, and you control your disappointment with the person or whatever, control that, and you can never be surprised. And even if you're surprised, it not gonna be like, okay, now like maybe you said it couldn't happen to me. But you have some people that might fall in love. Oh, my woman that never born me. It not gonna happen. My woman that never born me. That not gonna happen that thing. Me don't see that happen to me. Anybody can get born from anybody.
I'll give you a joke.
Listen, well, Michelle Obama can born Barack Obama.
Of course.
Andrew Owen's wife, Juliette Owens, can burn Andrew Owens. Andrew Owens can burn Juliette Owens. Barack Obama can burn Michelle Obama. Anybody can burn. All I want to listen right now. Everyone I want to listen right now. Whoever I want to deal with, whether I want a man or I want a woman, Uno husband and uno wife. And after me say what me I say, don't turn around and ask them if you really born me. You hear what I'm just say. Don't do it. But anybody you're there with right now, that person can burn you. Understand that. Believe that. It don't mean say them go and do it, you know. It don't mean say them go and do it. And it don't mean say you can't have a reason say, well, it's unlikely, but I'm not saying it would never happen. Yes, that is good. Those are sober reasoning. But to believe,
no evidence.
But to believe that this act that has been going on from the dawn of humanity, where somehow they even say at that, the story in the Garden of Eden did be a span, because Eve did give everything to the devil, Satan, right? So for somehow to believe that burning we are going from the dawn of humanity, that it can never happen to Uno because you are just so special and your relationship is so special and you listen to R&B music and but you're my forever and never ever and I'd rather die in the fire than to betray you on an idiot, right? Anybody can burn anybody. Anybody can burn anybody. Live by that. And if it should happen to you, it don't mean say it will happen, but if it should be happen to you, you would be psychologically prepared. It don't mean say you're going to like it, but you'd be psychologically prepared in a way where it's less likely that you're going to ball and go jump off of one cliff and go shoot at 10 million people and go kill people and kill baby and all them damn foolishness.
I remember in a 2000, a true story, me today one nice thing, I say, wind me off, you know. One nice thing, she wind me up, she mush me off, you know. And I said, boy, I love it, you know. I the only woman who cook dumpling for me. I eat dumpling for me. No woman. She make dumpling for me, I eat that.
And you eat fear dumpling down. And you eat fear dumpling down.
Yeah.
So what? Basically, basically you eat things from she where you don't eat from anybody else, don't?
Yeah, I'm the only woman who eat boiled dumpling from. Yeah, and some curry chicken.
And yeah,
because she don't have me away.
Well, real quick, you have 30 seconds. Make a point in 30 seconds now. Yeah, quick.
Yeah, so one time I made my point. She said she go there and she going out with her girlfriend. She going out to the casino. So now she called my phone and say, yeah, I'm at the casino, man. I'm not winning now.
Quick.
I normally, you know, ding, 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 ding. I normally, you know.
No, but she could have been at the blackjack table. She could have been at the poker table.
You. All right, respect, man. Bless you.
All right. Okay, people. We're going to take a break. You don't know, we're going to take a 3-minute break at the top of the hour and thing. But big and serious, people. You know, just follow Ragashanti pan him, man. There's a reason why I sing pan this thing, man. Anybody can burn anybody. No care how pretty you are, no care how much money you have, you can't get burned to, here. No care what you do for somebody, them can still turn on and burn you. Just understand that and you will not be surprised and go kill people. Soon forward.
The Bridge 99 FM.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Back in the juggling. I know, do remember, you know, we're in the preliminary exploration of our dating feature, which is we want to facilitate the opportunities for you to be able to meet a mate through the show. Okay, and what you would do, you just call in and express your intention. Simple. Tell us, you know, you would like to meet someone of such and such quality, and then we would see in which way we can help you. I have here with me the number for one caller. I have him here as executive chef, and again, he's on the Long Island side. It's a 516 number, which is indeed a Long Island number and thing. And he made his case earlier on. So if anybody is interested, you can email me at ragashanti@gmail.com, ragashanti@gmail.com, and I'd be more than I'd be more than happy to facilitate the meeting. All I'm going to do is just if he's interested in you, I will just pass on your number to him. All right, but I would never pass on the number of somebody who call in to somebody who is expressing interest. I would pass on the person who is expressing interest number to the person who called in and said they want to meet someone and so forth. Again, if you're calling from New York, New York is hearing this show live. And if you're calling from New York, anywhere in the United States of America or Canada, the toll-free number is 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. If you're calling from Jamaica, the number is 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996. I have a friend here. She's asking me for somebody's number, and I don't know if it's trouble she making her or she really want him number. I don't have him number anywhere, but me don't even gonna mention it because I can't take the stress from him. And you who have been listening my show nightly, who can't tell and whatever. But this is a big woman, and I think that I think she probably just want to talk to him because she's sorry for him and whatever. But I don't even want to call for him name right now because that may go open up a door. Open up a door, we can't. Our president, you know right away. President's like, no, we can't manage that right now. President, yeah? Oh, okay. 876-676-4996, 876-676-49. Yo, Junior, leave him, I look on you, you know. Oh, I look on you. Hey, Junior, I say, I try to behave myself because I don't even want to go hard. I'm going to make it general. I'm going to mash up it general because you don't know me can't say certain things to make him not call back. You understand? So I just want him and tell him, say, yo, dog, just cool, man. Yeah, do too much, you know. You go too hard with the thing and thing. All right. So we have work with that, the dating thing. And do remember now, if you have a situation where you know say somebody did a fight against you, right? Somebody did do you something evil. Somebody did do you something wicked. And wish you the worst in your life, right? And you manage to survive whatever it is them do to you and whatever. You're there now, turn them strong. And you can look back and see certain things will reach them. And you know so that is a consequence of them wicked and tan and them evil. Just call in and share that, right, you know. Call in and share that, right? Because I'm telling you, I tell you, I grew up with my mother, you know, my mother and our church people, them have this thing I would say, you know, say me have some anointing with God and whatever anybody do to me, it will turn back upon them. When I turn big man, I don't pay them thing that I mind with my mother and whatever. Because, you know, my mother is just a church woman in them sense. But me I telling the people, being and serious, it's almost like I'm afraid of it because throughout life, it's like everybody me know who me and them did, who did come for me. Because nobody can tell us me go for them, you know, like just not like them or them do something or me go for them and wish them bad. Me just not stay so. Me just never stay so, you know. But I've certainly had people who come for me. Prezi, yeah. I've certainly had people who come for me. And people, every one of them, may I tell you, every one of them people, me live to see some terrible thing reach them in their life. That's all me sorry for them, you know. Yeah, New York call me about, you know, when so-and-so did reach so-and-so. Everyone who call me, I say, boy, you look over. When you hear my reaction, me no express no joy over we reach him. You understand? Even though him did wish me the worst and do me something evil and wicked, and me have to get up and defend my thing publicly in New York and loud it up a war, boy. You understand? And you see what people not see him humbly right now, him humble like a lamb. The hype not dead again and all him something there again and whatever because a certain thing reach him. People, whatever want to sue, man, it will come back for want to trust me. whatever uno sow, whatever energy, even if we make out some wicked people drown out, and get in a zone for do them evil, like when I say una do them back. And think, remember that energy they have to generate in our own, so have to be careful and so uno no poison on yourself. Give me the call. Hello. You know, join us up there. Left them to them own vice. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Ragashanti.
Greetings, yeah.
Yeah, Ragashanti, what go on?
Yeah, my day I give thanks, you know, what go on with you?
Man, I listen to the show, man. You sound good, man.
All right.
So here will reach me one time.
Yeah.
I'm from the island, of St. Kitts, right?
St. Kitts, all right.
Yeah. And so one time I was going on the road. And I touch a guy car.
Yeah.
To get some of the rain water for it to wash me hand.
Yeah.
And then one of the person come out the car now, right, with a baseball bat.
Yeah.
And
what? And what?
And swing the bat and attack me, so to speak. Attack me, right?
Right.
And he give me one on me hand.
Right.
And then he give me a next one, and then I get mad now, and I say that's enough.
Mm-hmm.
And then he turn off.
Yeah.
A wicked thing he do to me, you know.
Right.
Still remember it all now.
Right.
And then he turn off.
Right.
And on the same night.
Yeah.
The police them lock him up because that same night he shoot some other guy. Actually, he shoot a police. See, the same night, you know.
Right.
The same night. And so what happened now, he ended up in jail now.
Mm-hmm.
2 years. That same night, he spent 2 years in jail that same night.
Well,
somehow he look like he get away.
Okay, so from him going to jail and after him going to jail at night, there are 2 years before him did come out, right? Okay.
Yeah. And so he come out now. And so I see him because I know him.
Yeah.
So I went to him now and I tried to find out why he did that to me.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
And he had no good reason for it. So me just left it so. And so what happened now, must be a week later now, you know.
Yeah.
6 man stab him up, you know. 6 man stab him up, kill him, you know.
Stab him up, kill him.
And yeah. And I was still mad, you know, because I didn't understand why he do that to me. I wanted the baseball bat. He hit me kind of by one of me eye them to, you know, close to one of me eye by me eyebrow, some up there, you know.
Right.
So it could have hit me in the eye. It could have hit me in the eye and knock out me eye.
Right.
But it ain't happened so.
Right.
But it's just revenge me, so to speak. It's just revenge me, because, you know, the spirit is like that. So
you say the spirit is like...
Come up now.
Okay, go out in funeral.
Yeah, the spirit. So the spirit is like that. Jah does revenge you. Anybody do you anything? Once you angry with Jah does revenge you. Which is you reap what you sow, basically.
Okay. You reap what you sow. Okay.
Yeah, definitely. Because whatever you do to the least among you, you do it to Jah. Whatever you do to the least among you, you do it to the spirit. You see?
Okay.
Because the spirit are talking high stuff now. The spirit record everything that you do.
Right.
So no man get away.
Right.
Even though you think you get away in the flesh. It is recorded, and that record that is going to weaken the foundation that your spirit stand on.
Right.
In the judgment. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Just like when you go to the court,
right.
You have to have a good case that the judge could look upon you and say, you know, you're in the right.
Right.
So anyway, so the funeral will come up now where I go. Funeral will come up now. So me gone to the funeral now, you know. Yeah. But me ain't gone to the funeral because I want to go to the funeral, you know. I went to the funeral to make sure he in the coffin, you know.
You got hold on, you went to the funeral, the reason. Hold on. Did you just say that the reason why you went to the funeral is to make sure that he was in the coffin?
Yes.
Why?
But because I wanted to make sure he in there. I wanted to make sure he did to see if he's, because I only hear about it too. I didn't see.
Oh, you didn't hear say 6 months stab him up and kill him, but you never did that, so you just want to see him. Okay, all right then. What?
Yeah. So I went to the funeral now, just to make sure he's in the grave, to make sure, you know, because it still saddened me that he do me that, and he know me and I know him. And so when I went now to the funeral, when I went in go look in now in the thing, the thing they done close. They done close the coffin.
Yeah.
So I just come back out and went back home.
Right.
The door they done shut. They done shut the arm, the coffin door.
Yeah. So you never get to see him.
You never get to see him.
Okay.
No, but that is my little lineup. Yeah, all right. But I enjoy the show.
All right,
good
man.
Job. Keep it up.
Yeah, man. Blessings, man.
And don't forget to talk. And don't forget to. And I like that part just now when I was talking about the woman them. The woman them thing is the one. The woman them is equal to a man.
Yeah.
A man is not more than a woman. A woman is not more than a man.
Indeed.
And probably a woman is probably more than a man too. But man always got this attitude that they more than woman, stinking man. Sometimes I don't like them, because they look like they're not going to understand them.
Oh, what you mean? The stinking man them, you say?
Well, a lot of men in general, they all think that the woman, they all think that the woman is some kind of property of them one.
Right.
Even if you're married to her, it's just respect.
Yeah, you don't want her. You don't want her.
No.
Right.
Okay. So she could do what you want, she want, and you could do what you want. But if I got respect for each other, then I just keep it that way.
All right.
But you don't kill her and them thing there.
Yeah.
And kill baby and kill mother.
And all them foolish.
Yeah.
No, man, respect for them. I bunk some other call and thing, but yeah, man, respect for them edge there and thing. See?
Yeah.
All right, St. Kitts.
Sure, yeah.
Big up yourself, St. Kitts. All right, man, cool. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
St. Kitts, I'm going just for looking at, just try for looking at coffee, for make sure I'm in there, you know. Because I'm still vexed, so I'm beating me the BS bar. Give me the call, Prezi. Hello.
Night, Ragashanti. Good night, boss.
Manners.
Yeah, my first time for your show, big man.
Call the family, where you say?
Yeah, man. One me here no talk and say, I talk and say, the man I deny about him no wash woman panty. So if him take off woman panty.
Who say him him never say him no wash woman panty. Him never say him no wash it. Him say yes, him wash it.
Oh, come here, tell you know, say, me just come in still now, me there on my phone and listen to your show, you know, on the internet, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to be here. Yes, but what kind of fool man this I thought sitting and him take off human drawers.
All right. So you don't have a problem I wash your woman panty?
Me wash when my day by the hospital. Me no make no family go down there, sir. I take me tell you one thing.
Yeah.
You see if you allow family if you come in, then thief all your woman panty. Special sister and that. Me no know that. Me go in and take off shit off.
No, don't send me. Me not think our sister them would have a thief her panty. Oh,
no,
God.
No. Me not trust that. Me not trust no family at all.
Me not trust no family with your woman underwear, don't.
I could have underwear and clothes or anything. Me not trust no family.
Trust them,
me wash me baby mother panty. When me come from work and I come out, take out my lunchtime, evening time, I go for her, pass it in them and changes her clothes.
All right.
And come home at night time and wash her panty them.
Oh, yeah.
And me.
Well on. First of all, you know if you wash them good?
Me not no problem for wash it.
Me say if you know, hold on. First question, you know if you wash them good?
Same as I wash my brief.
Oh, you wash them?
Same as I wash my underpants.
What you do? You just script them in your hand and thing and rub them out and then script them and thing and rinse them?
All right, I'll tell you the best way you know. You get your wash pan or your bath and you put it in the bath pan. Me get my fab and throw it night. And me sit down in the bathroom pan carry the little part there. And me scoop same way. And roll up the crotches part of the panty and use the washing brush and rub out. Use the washing brush and rub it.
No, well on, no, Bossy. Hold on, man. Oh, but yeah, you have to take time with me, so me I learn. Yeah, so what me I say?
Yeah, man.
You sure you use a washing brush pan? So like, what kind of panty that a washing brush can take?
No. I'll tell you one thing. You not use a coarse washing brush, you have a soft washing brush.
Oh.
A soft washing brush. Wash it crotches like panty.
Yeah.
You see? And when you wash it crotches like panty.
Yeah.
You see? You have your, scoops in a fresh water, in a soap water.
Hold on. For my North American listeners especially, who always complain to me that. No, hold on. No. I have a lot of listeners. Them love Jamaica, them love me, but they're not Jamaican. So them always say, please, there's some things that we want you to explain because we don't understand and pick up. So you see when you say scoop, every Jamaican know what you're talking about. But me can't tell us enough of them are like, what do you mean by scoop? So okay. So to my North American listeners, it's basically when you have the whatever you're washing between your hand and you're rubbing it, right? But when Jamaicans do it, the ones who can really wash, it makes a sound. It goes scrip. So he's referring to the sound. So
depends to how you hold it. Depends to how you hold the material. Right.
So you say
hold it and you rub it and you go scrip. Yeah. See how it goes scrip. And I know any man can wash it. Any woman can't scrip neither, you know.
No.
Woman you get and rub it.
No, you have enough woman can't scrub. So I see some of them online right now. Cheryl Bless, Paulette Love, Pretty Punchy, and them. Tina, them can't scrub. When them watch them no scrub, coming like them a fight, them they are wrestling. I be a thump, them a thump.
When me go all the river, when me go all the river, me put the all pan all the stone and rub it. Yeah.
No, hold on. No, but you can't.
Ragashanti.
No, man, hold on, man. No, man. Listen to what me I say. You not listen me, man. What me I say? What you mean you put panty pan stone and rub it? Panty too fragile for you rub pan stone, man. What kind of thing?
No, depends. Depends. You not have to rub it hard. You not have to rub it hard, you know.
But what you do pan stone? No, man, you talk. Hold on, man. You talk like say your woman panty them make out a sheet cloth, out a spread cloth.
No, me not say that, Ragashanti. Me not say that. Me not say that.
So well on that. So you wash it for her when she in the hospital and thing. But you ever wash your woman panty them when she perfectly healthy?
Of course, yeah, well. All right, me wash my woman, all when my woman healthy. Me wash she in the kitchen, she a cook. If she don't feel like we cook, me cook her cook dinner and she wash. Both of us do everything one time.
Okay.
So you say if she don't feel like we cook, me go out there and when I wash my clothes. Cause me no use washing machine, cause me can't buy me as me see light bill come, me fret.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
So me just grab the pan.
Yeah.
And start wash. When me wash for your clothes.
Yeah.
Wash for your clothes, me wash my clothes and me hang them up. Me hang them up.
So well on. So when you hang them up, you either hang them up and thing, for no party no see.
No, sir, when me hide for. Me not no time tell that my woman that.
Okay.
I'm my woman that. And if you can't respect your woman, it don't make sense to live with her.
Okay.
For real.
Okay.
I saw me see it.
Okay.
Ragashanti, me young, you know, Ragashanti. And me grow with old people. Me grow with old people.
Okay.
You see.
How old are you?
Ragashanti, me I just 49.
Yeah. Okay. All right, you're young, you're 49. Okay, good.
Yeah,
okay, all right.
Yeah, me I just 49. So me know if you do everything, and me still know. Me tight, when you see me go down upon my knee and clean all the floor. So my tell a woman, I say, Lord, go rest now, me say no, babes. Okay. Me say no, babes. It 2 hours, you know, if you're tired, me have to do it.
Okay.
See, so me have to wash. See, because me not depend on the woman alone to do everything. Me not go tell her, me alone not depend. She 2 hours have to do things.
Yeah.
You see, if she not do it, me have to do it.
All right, man.
Me a hard working man.
Yeah.
And still, even right now, my woman are the one work, and me end up after set a full cup for the woman for she do something. I wash my work, and me end up after set her good for she do that and shit. And she have one youth. She have one youth for me, and plus me mind 2 picking we on my own.
Yeah.
They say take care of 2 picking we on my own.
Yeah.
And school them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what you say about fall cup for her? What you say about fall?
Me buy chicken and everything, put in a cup for her and find and say yes, that's school next to picnic them.
Okay.
Of course.
Hustling and work together.
Me have to do everything, Ragashanti.
Cool, man. I wish part of Jamaica you call for.
Linstead me there, no.
Linstead, cool. Robert,
yeah.
Place. Okay, all right, man.
Yeah.
Nah, man, but just what.
And the next thing again, I'm still come say I'm help me one woman still bring people coming for the house for me. Cause you see one thing with me, Ragashanti, me no like crowd. Me no love crowd.
Okay.
And and me come say everybody.
What you mean?
Something
No, me gonna take a next call, but just tell me quick. Who bring in who for you?
Ragashanti. You wanna see it for me too, you know, Ragashanti. But me just look funny and just make she just go on.
No, well on. She bring in a man in the house there, she go out and go do it.
No, she right now, Ragashanti, she bring them in her house still in her Ragashanti. But I know me not go say she still in her. Cause me not go tell lie that way they say no. She make sure bring man come in her house with woman and make them and turn the house to guest house where you want call it. And I me talk to a woman, move out for me. So me just lower.
No, what you mean she bring man in the house with woman?
All right. Let me break it down, Ragashanti.
Yeah.
You see? All right. She make woman come, make him our friend.
Yeah.
And then now, me no know if our brother or what. And then now, they have sex. Have sex in the next room with the bed. And then she hide and a video it. A video. And she don't know, say me have a Google account set up to her phone and it automatically come to my phone to show how she's stupid.
Well on. So she bring in one man and one woman, and when the man and the woman have sex, she have video them with her phone?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
So and them have sex with she too, cause she did have sex with them too.
Me no see her pan it, you know, Ragash. Me not go tell lies, so me see her pan it, you know.
Right.
You see, so me not go, you know, but are the woman and the man, me say, and me can know say she's a video it.
Oh.
Yeah.
So what you feel? No, but what you
lie now put me nowhere.
No, but how you feel about that now? So your woman bring in a man and a woman to a relative, but she did it. Obviously a lie she tell you, right? That is obvious. And she did it basically involved in a farm, a threesome with them and all, a video it. And if you never did set up your phone for it send a copy to your, you know, the phone where you give her for send a copy, you wouldn't even know so she have video them things. So obviously say your woman are going with some things then, man, and what you do, that never mash up your head.
Yeah. Well, right now, Ragashanti, he shake me, Ragashanti. He shake me, but you see, when me look into it, Ragashanti, and me see she have one youth for me, and my mind I ask you, me say before me get myself in a trouble, Ragashanti, me say she go her way, and me go my way.
So what she do? She move out?
Ragashanti, she move out right there in me back when time me gone. When me come home, me come see half of me house empty, and me just look at me just look pan at me just laugh. First thing me report your station Me report it. When me report it, police then come and then look and then call, ask me for her number and then call her.
Yeah.
And she not answer her phone. When they send a voice note, she call back and say, you're lucky. You're lucky, say everything never gone. But at least me have 5 bed in the house, she move out 4. And move out everything. See that?
Well, you have 5 bed in the house and she move out 4. And when she move out everything or whatever. When the police call, she call her back and say, you're lucky, we never take everything out. All right, then let me ask you something now. I'm going to tell you something now. Here, I mean, just want to hear what you think. You know, say a whole heap of people are listening right now and I say,
me know that.
Well, I know. People are listening right now and I say, see there, because you wash your drawers, because you do all of them something there, and you never move like a man, and whatever this and that makes you clown you out them way there and go. What you have to say to them people who have said them something that about you, right?
Ragashanti, look, you see them now?
Yeah.
You see from once you have a woman, you see you have to respect your woman, and you have to can do things. So it no matter what they want, because you are take off the drawers. You see, and from once you take it off, you have to wash her. You can't, you see some little man will say them now whole woman take off woman drawers off a line. A fool man them there.
No, well on. No, I totally agree with him. My reasoning point that is, them no want to touch a clean drawers on the line. But them not a problem. I take off a dirty drawers. It don't make no sense. But anyway, but when me I ask you, I'm going to keep it real with you, right? To be honest with you, I don't really understand certain things where you said to me. But it not sound to me like your woman did respect you for she had deal with you and I say, you're lucky, but I take out everything. Because basically, you say you've been only but good to her and she rub up everything and I bring her. And if she bold enough, if you bring man and woman in the house with you and them a grind and a video one another in the house where you live and whatever, and when you talk to her about it, she just cut and go and do her own thing. What me I say? I'm going to ask you something straight up. When you and her have sex and you do it and whatever, she enjoy it and she like it and thing and she ball out under the treatment and them something.
All right, Ragashanti. You see one thing now, with my part of sex thing right now, you know.
Yeah.
Me not go say still now. Me keep that private still, you know.
No, me not hear what I say, no, man. I try to explain.
Me understand what you're talking.
So you know, me not want no detail, me not want your private detail. I don't know what you got. Me just I say, when you and I did a juggle, right? Did you get the sense that the respect that they did it? And the reason, I'm going to tell you why I ask. For enough woman, them have to respect a man for kind of enjoy him sexually. Them have to have some sort of risk. Some want to know, to be honest with them, I want to know if your woman did respect you to the point, you know, given how good you have been to her, if she did really respect you. So, I just want to know if, say, you and I want to know intimate, if you did get that sense, they say, yo, she into me that way, and thing. You didn't get that sense there?
Yeah, because with respect to one another, you know, with respect to one another, but she lose her respect right now, you know, Ragashanti, at the crowd that me come see at my house, you know. And me tell her, say, me not used to them things there. And me tell her, say, me not in no family system. My family, they not disturb me. Fear family, not supposed to come and disturb me. And me, you know, and the one time, go tell her, say, if they come and say, I'm more supermarket, they might come, I wholesale, and all of them begs with me. So me tell them my mind. Me tell them my mind, I'm telling them can come and look for that, look for her, but no come live. It's not living thing this.
Oh, and then what happened after that? The
whole of them start tell us me too miserable. So me miserable and say me not like them. Me say, I don't really like me like you, yes, but you not come down and turn plague for me. You can look for no family and if you not come spend the weekend.
Yeah, but nobody come take over the place.
Or no come pop up on me, pop up behind my back. When you not come, you no call me and make me know say you have visitors here. You know, make me come see people and then at night time now. Me not say you can't come, you know. Me not say you can't come, but if you come at night end up catch up on you, and morning come you go in. But don't make me come back and say, come go get miserable in our house.
Yeah.
Come my 5 are we in our house as a family. 3 You know, three picnic plus me and my woman. Plus me and my baby mother.
Yeah.
You can't make nobody else come in our house, sir. You know, that's for sure. Me tell her, say, she not show me no respect there, sir.
Well,
that's
that's true.
supposed to come in. Eh?
That's true. But anyway, we have to go take a break. But respect for your reasoning and thing here. And respect, and respect, so you have that thing, the balance up and thing, and you know, no problem.
Yeah, man, and thanks again here, boss.
All right.
To me and you talk. Yeah, man, I have a blessed evening now, yeah?
Yeah, my respect, sir.
Yeah, man,
yeah,
see
man, cool.
Cool.
Yeah. People, we never have time, you know, but there was that whole thing there. It could have fleshed out some more, you know. There was some, in terms of the continuity of the narrative, there were some gaps, you know, where if we'd have some more time, we would have addressed them, because I know say enough I know listen now, I listen syntax, I listen accent, I listen to linguistic properties. And probably knowing my people, they would probably reach out some conclusion. So we're going to take a break now. But may I say this right now. If we call back, anybody call in, pan the caller just now, behave on yourself. Make a point in a say what you want, because I know on the turn. Right? I know what's about in my calling. I say, Raga, they ain't sister. Then Raga, you go like you never sister. Then Raga, you can't say what you want to say, because you don't know what's upon you, so we say talk your mind. But be nice. We're soon forward. Okay, cool.
Yo, this is Shaggy. Yeah, out to many one music, baby. You're listening to IrieJam Radio. Yeah, number one. Yeah. If the feeling is good, I want to hear you say Irie. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
876-676-4996 from Jamaica. 876-676-4996 from Jamaica. From the United States or Canada, the number. Yo, y'all need to stop, man. Just stop. Be nice. Okay. All right. From the United States, the number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. To the phone lines we go. Good. And by the way, even though the caller explained himself, I am still at a loss about Panty. I wash with brush and stone. Okay? You know, women have period panty, like you look at Jackie one them. But even those are fairly delicate, you know, them no, you know. But him says a soft brush, and they do have some soft brush, and I like the big tough one them from Jamaica where we used to, with the wood and the with the wooden one and thing. Anyway, good night. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah. What Raga?
Me there, I know answer.
Yeah, well, first time call. I love the show in general, but here I go on. First of all, I'm going to leave my number and my name, you know, so any woman out there interested, but I want a man. But I look at a man who could have cured me, because I'm in a difficult situation where I look in work everywhere and I can't get in work, and there's a lonely person. My name is Shane Clare.
No, hold on. No, we're going to make you put and then, and because you have women out there who will help you and thing, but we have to kind of establish that thing. That is my job, right? How old are you?
I'm 37 years old. January born, the 24th.
January the 24th, and you're 27-year-old and thing.
No, 37.
37. All right.
Yeah,
and
I'm 18. I look at nice work for better my life.
No, hold on.
No, yeah.
All right. Hold on. All right. How tall are you?
I don't know the tallest, but I have a little, I'm not so tall, but I have a little height still.
You're not so tall, but you have a little height.
Yeah, I'm not too tall enough, you know. I can't have a little short, but I'm not so tall.
You're kind of look sharp, but you're not so tall. So like, what that mean? You like, you know, like Miggle like?
Yeah, my brother. Yeah.
Okay, and then describe it like, what your complexion?
My brown.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
And what else?
Yeah.
All right, and what else more you in? All right, because we're going to keep it real, right? So.
Yeah, hey, Raga, before we go no further, I don't know if I credit to you, so if I can take the number and the name.
Oh,
and
Prezi.
Yeah.
Prezi.
Yeah, up on the street, we live in. I hear on the radio.
Oh, you live on the street? You live on the street?
Yeah, under one river bridge, when I got to Portmore, so you can't hear them around.
Oh, so you got through with me, General?
Yeah, it's a rough one, man. Family band and my man. Me good pan garden work, you know, but me can't.
Oh, me see the levels where you're there, pan. Prezi.
Yeah, things rough.
Prezi, tell him to take him name and number. Yeah, tell him to take him name. You say you're 37 and thing. So in a relationship, you want somebody to help you.
Yeah, if you do a little work and then give me a money, because I don't have family support.
Okay.
I'm 18 to get abandoned.
Oh, from your 18, you get abandoned. You get abandoned.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm that born cold, but the people when you know, them say don't bring you down, you know, them are paying money, but you have to wait till 2-3 weeks to get the money.
Oh, okay.
It's the thing for food, so right now I have to abandon all the cold business just to please. You see me?
All right.
And people are embarrassed me.
No, them take your number here and thing. Them cause them see your number and thing, all right? So them take it down at Jamaica there, here?
Yeah, my name is Shane Clear. Clear my last name.
What your name? Shane Clear?
Yeah, Shane Clear, yeah.
Is
born
it
the 24th of January.
Is it Claire?
No, Clare.
Oh, Clare. All right, Papa and thing. And you there, I got you there. You say you want to look at help, all right?
Yeah, my brother. I'm glad to meet you, man, because right now I'm there hungry like a dog, man. I tell you, General, rough, man.
All right.
I love the ladies, them, you know, but I don't like when man do the woman, them. Man, they make it bad for we. The good one, they not do that.
Okay, so what you say you want? Hold on. What you say you want a woman to kind of help you out, though? That you say you want, right?
Yeah, what? We could have take care of, like, keep the place clean, and she could have find me dinner, give me, if she know no business place, so them want somebody for even, like, say, a government just build a place, and they want somebody to keep the place clean, water the flowers, and everything there. Any little thing me get me do. Because I don't really have the education or no trade, but we can do my things still. All
right, me hear you. You're positive. Yeah. And you not just ask, you know, you say, boy, you're willing to put some work in and work for your due, whatever reward you get. All right, we hear that.
Yeah, my brother.
All right. Prezi, tell him.
I want someone good to me, do anything nice to please her, I said, even a foreigner, man. Anyone interested, just send me a good person, man.
Oh, okay. All right, then. Cool.
Yeah, my brother.
All right. Prezi, them take him number down. Okay, good. All right, them. All right, respect. Cool. All right, next call. We are running out of time. I'm glad about it. Hello.
Raga.
Yeah.
Wagwan.
Yeah, you have to go run it quick here. We only have about 10 minutes left here.
All right. Me call you back. Not say nothing.
All right, then. I say a word, my general. Cool. Next call, President. We have about 10 minutes left. Hello,
Raga?
Yeah.
Mr. Never rang again. Listen.
Mr. Never rang, please do. Let me just take another call or two you to get in before here. I'm going to make sure them talk to you first next week, all right? Okay, cool.
All right.
Next call, President. Next call. Hello.
Yeah, Mr. Raga.
Greetings, yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Raga.
Yeah.
Greetings.
Yeah, stop listening to the radio. Make them turn off the radio. You're not supposed to listen to the radio once you're on ear.
Greetings, Raga.
Yeah. Stop listening to the radio. Talk no man. You're whole up.
Far from the radio. Me there far from the radio.
So talk no, why you not talk? You not talk. Talk no, man.
Yeah, me just want to talk. Me just want to comment on the man who talk say me wash panty. You know we original Jamaican. We call them man the mama man. We don't wash panty. That's why him get what him get.
Me know that you're not going to say, you know. So,
what do you mean? Then we don't know when man no original yard man. We don't wash jars.
No, but
man original girls, we don't wash panty.
So you wanna But you take off woman panty, so why you want to wash it?
No, we not wash no panty. No, we not wash
But hold on, man. Don't you not have no problem to take off a woman panty? In fact, as Jamaican man, we love to take off
panty either. No, my woman have to take off her one jazz. You're foolish.
What? You know,
my woman have to take off her one panty. You have to take off her jazz. Now when me take off her jazz, she go send me rape her. No. Me never knew we are so long. Me say, man, me see up the married man go to prison. If it's for raping wife, me not take off no jazz.
Oh, because
when you want sex, you take off your panty. No, when she wants sex, she take off her panty.
She take off her panty herself. You not take off no jazz because no woman not go say like, are you go force her to do nothing, though?
Yeah, me none of that.
And what you say, original gangster and girl is from Jamaica and things.
Original girl.
What you say, them don't wash jazz. Them don't wash jazz.
Yeah.
No, but what if somebody say, I'm mother... No, but one on man. What if somebody say, I'm modern times no dog. If worse, if your woman sick, you don't wash her jazz.
Woman sick, me dash her that jazz and go buy more. What's wrong with you?
What you say? If your woman sick, be a new jazz buy that right there. Don't be a new jazz buy.
Be a new jazz with dash.
Be a new jazz. From she sick, be a new jazz. Hence is a new jazz are coming because you nah watch no jazz around here.
Nah,
you're gangster. A new jazz in that place.
Man, that gangster. But original, yard man.
No, but you that go around the thing because most Jamaican women them don't wear no new jazz, so it have to wash out first. How you that deal with that?
Business then.
What how you that deal with that?
Business.
No, but how you that deal with that?
Fair business. Oh, you mean, me not wash it, she ever wash that?
No, but what if she sick and can't wash it? What me say? Why if she sick and... Well, on, man. Why if she sick and can't wash it? I mean, I tell you, no, most Jamaican women, me know them now wear no jars with them buy just so it have to wash out first before them put it on. Oh, you deal with...
Fair business.
Huh?
A fair business.
But
fair business.
But you still not script to jars them, don't?
Still not wash that.
John, no general, yeah, hold the order, don't?
Still not wash that.
Yeah. So what you
mean, man, original gangster.
Real gangster, no wash no jars around here.
Any more be a man that listen, we know so we don't deal with racklings, man, original.
Okay. John, no, you not let go that.
Any man from Mobile, from the 70s.
So the BRIDGE99 know what you say, him woman violate him and all him something then. Why you feel cast?
Because him wash jazz.
Okay, you think
him wash jazz. If that was my brother, me beat him up from the first time he see my wash jazz.
You not beat him up because your brother say what you do? No. John.
My father didn't raise me like that.
No.
My father raised 10 boy pitney. I didn't raise no sodomite.
What you say? So no, we're not going to get in that trouble because you know the world around here. So what I say is...
Yeah, we're not getting that trouble.
You know what? So you say no real Jamaican man wash jazz. That you say, right?
No real Jamaican man don't wash jazz.
Okay, all right then. Cool, Papa. No say a word.
Yeah, come out for your show, me the people them. Come out for your show, me the people them talk.
All right, manners.
They love me.
Yeah, man. Manners, cool. One more call, President, before we leave. The General, I hold the order and thing. Hello?
Yeah, Raga.
Yeah.
Oh, the guy can't tell you what. Let's have your girlfriend sit me and watch the jazz out with the father, man.
All right, then. Now, remember, say you did get your call in already, you know, so we just one the other. Okay.
Yeah, me know.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Hello? Next call, President. Hello? Yes, hello. Yo, big man, turn off your radio, man. When you come on, just turn off your radio, man. Sure. When I call up your show, so yo. You know, to make all the show.
The man wash jazz.
What you say?
Yeah, I said the man for low, the man them wash jazz, yeah, man.
You don't have no problem with the man them wash them woman jazz?
No, sir. The man them for wash them woman jazz, man.
You wash your woman jazz?
What you mean, man?
Okay, so you don't have no problem with it then?
No, sir. Me have a virgin named Panty teeth, man. I him tell me, say, wash your woman jazz, Canada, man. We come take her and wash her jazz for you.
No, well on. First of all, what you say your virgin name?
Panty teeth.
Your virgin name Panty teeth?
Yeah, man.
So So what I do know? Your brethren, when him Panty teeth, tell you say, yo, doggy, here with me, Panty teeth, I tell you say. You have me for wash your woman drawers, you know, because our next man will come take her away and wash her drawers. Our next man will come wash her drawers for her and take her away from you. So me, original Panty teeth, I tell you, say, wash your woman drawers. I saw the thing levels, no? Oh, bridging God. Next call. We have 2 minutes. Next call, person. We could get them in. Hello. All right, let go that. It look like the John, I saw the show of the end. Yo, Jamaica on a sample, you know. Prezi, you surprised? Any man named Panty Teeth. From the man named Panty Teeth. Of course, he gonna wash him woman underwear. With a name like that. And remember, you know, people, enough time when we give people nickname and pet name, you know. A certain little things have to happen and we see say the name come out, you know. So if we just start match out that one here, you know. Right? Because the way we are going to match out this, we not multiply, we not do addition, and we not do subtraction. The way that one have to match out is about division. A long division. Work it out, people. How him get that name there? You know how the general get that name there. You don't have to ask how the general get that name there. He might use him teeth to take off his panty them. No doubt of that him a do. Just like Junior Levy. Just like Junior Levy up here in New York and thing. You know a film style. He might use his teeth to take off his panty. Prezi, give me a 1 minute call. Jesus, watch all the time I go. Hello. Next call. Hello. 1 minute. Hello. But me see the thing did full up. Well, anyway, I saw it go. We are run out of time, you know. We have about 2 minutes to go. People, no man no name Panty teeth unless him use him teeth to take a panty, you know. Right? Because what else him could I do with him teeth? For him get them 2 words together, Panty teeth. I can't wash him and wash him with it, wash him panty them with him teeth. He cannot eat them. Well, that's relative, you know, because nowadays eat have, you know, multiple meanings and things. So I could just leave that right this way. All right. Yo, Panty teeth, big up yourself, because I teach a man them out for wash jazz down in Jamaica, I think. People like you, but I just want to say big respect, you know. Big respect to the idea. Remember, say, download the BRIDGE99 FM app. All right, it out there, the BRIDGE99 FM app. All right, you don't know, say Jamaica settings that and thing. Download the app and you listen to all of the show them. And you can watch all the video them too and whatever. Just like how people are watching upon the video right here and thing. And do remember, you know, follow my page over YouTube, Ragashanti TV over YouTube, right? Over there, so the whole of the Mixup them there, the Mixup entertainment there. If you not driver or no work in a nursing home and them play, the best thing for you to listen. All you not truck driver and all them people are the best thing you keep on a company or whatever. And they show them run 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, hundreds of hours of old Ragashanti live shows over there and thing like that for you to listen. Playlist after playlist and thing. Just make sure someone wanna go over there and click the subscribe button and the bell for notification. Right, so you just support the page. Click the subscribe button over there. You're going to see it's a subscribe, you don't have to pay. And click the bell. And take care of yourself and have a wonderful weekend and keep safe anyone there and thing. And do remember the BRIDGE99 FM Ragashanti forward this Monday. And when you don't know, say that at 9 o'clock Jamaica time, down 9 o'clock Jamaica time, and the same thing Wednesday, and then next week Friday at 8 p.m. Take care of yourself, people. Outer road, mad thing. Rrr.